Abusua enesoso ayenyankopon epe ema menu mienu ahia ewo empo encouragement semo amede brew ewo Adom TV so me da asese wo de afidi ato ha na obetie encouragement semo yi wonfro obi afro bi se wono so entie bi ene asema amede brew wo no na tifi sem ne se be the master of your life yo ababo wura ebi wo ha ya kwade mo obi me ka kwa anye se bia wo som ba wa bra ba koda ne enkwasom ema ebi adwenkyere ema ebi ne ye ba brabo aye boyi emre do ese obi sa won say how can I reach my personal goals timopo ne da eso am won me den akoduru tampempenso no how do I get motivated and be the master of my life me den na kwamme so na me fa so ahye me hunkran na maye ma brabo wura owura oyade nyina etire how can I develop a successful mindset kwambe so na mefa metimi ama adwen akosi se eyedi adwenwen ye wo adwen akodo e wo wiase ebi ya beguro ebi ya bonfiayo ebi ye watimi aka me ebi adwenwen ebi so ye mpuntuo adwen meden na menya mpuntuo adwen na abrabo ayebo no we live in a world where we are bombarded with a myriad of information ofa benkum ni fa osoni asase ase a obi e kasa emfoni ye twa mfoni de friend de enyefe ye nioma akire wa che obey we our brother ko say nanso the question is who would you allow to be in charge of your life abraba wo boy we be say why na ekura ma brabo mo ne me ko o ma me aja onua bi ana panemu bi ana wankasa you know to run your life successfully you will need someone to be in charge of your life adwuma ye were directors and your CEOs ono okura adwuma yi e fa pemo a wode adwuma ne ko ba bi e ko wa brabo ye adwuma wan aka oye o CEO the best CEO of your life will be you the question is who is in charge in the life I'm leading today wan ne kura ma brabo am ebo ne e bia ye wo no ma me kire o de ene ne enye empo onafofo ne onua no so keka wo nsem bia ebo ya begro wo de wa say wo de o say empo ko school teacher for so kire wa de we were fail we were pass it. And then there are other people we call significant others one more bro no so ne baby out here no what so to din na empo one ye kanya me nsam so kire kwa fa so ye papa ne bone na even amamre culture eso kire onyoma ye na busuamu ne ye ne fie na montene nsembre onyoma wo ye nyina so eye busua ena ne eja enamfo teacherfo ne asofo ne won ya kire wo ba wankasa no eden ene kura wa odi bo bra you see remember the life you have it's your own and you must be in charge of your life baba wo boy wankasa wo de enye obi na ebu ama one na ebu abrabo emmom ebitora bia be hia obi obehye onkran you need mentors obi hia obi obehwe na abrabo so kaso pese bia se ni pessimism nanso so menko yeso obi se wo yese wankasa uko yeso obi anu akọ photocopy you were made original onyame hwemu you eye osoronko you are unique product bibi wo mu abetimi ada na die na chese ni pessimism woni nie se bia adwo akwabena kwadwo wo so udin etese ewa amansan asum today me pese me no kan sembia e be kire kwa be fa so take charge of your life hu nya pa abrabo e oboy wan na ekura nsem ka kire on say if na kwe me mabrabo me ana me kura na on nsem me ana me kura me abrabo e wo nsuo so akwa hodo so nempo sa so che bunkam se den ya se be hye me hu kran na me gina abrabo because my brabo no nsunsu so ni free mankasa. There are many people out there who seek to be energetic and live a life of passion. Yen nyina wo bibi we mu a etie mu epese da na adie. Nanso de na stop wo. E bia wanya adwi mi se me pese me ya adie we, pese me ko ade na stop wo. E bi wo ha ye nsem a ka kire wo. We obetimi ya o ye bibi ni untimi nye o ye nkran ni o ya kani. We de nya bibi fu suban ye boa. Bibie ni ho a eda wa koma proso apese o ya untimi nye. Gisa o ka se untimi nyo. Enti na de ema amamre abusua baby we ko do ye no ensu kwan find a way to work out of the comfort zone of your life e ka comfort zone baby out semre ni o ma wo ye na afa ya so eno an ye no no jai nye sa na ye no abrabo wo ba sa obi bibi sonko wo ye do bedu ha se osuban bi deadi na ankran nya so mfaso eno nti no entie ni amanfo ka me ka se entie ni amanfo ka nya wontie se bone ya se jai na wonyai enti na manfo ka chese me manfo ano nsem enka won hye emu abamu na mum tie wankasa wo mu nsem ase we de metimi ayo We to transform your life, you need to change your beliefs. And never be I more jedi. Say, oh, when they mean potato, I mean to me way. Or me they say that be no correct. So it titia, so it tinting. And never be how about me ayo. So you ba so bema. You will near my obey say a bone yanko pon sasu dear. Or say me boss say me sasu. No I could share the in aso. No was swamba. Besides, that there is some quantity de show some rival one. Was swamba. And was swamba, a baben was so. O boy friend of Pacusan, you may about us one adwin at a tea or your dear, a buffo, and a empo I will hold you, and on yaba. And you are begru, and you may go up them. A castle be a swaba, or brabum, or wadium, or you was swamba, and then fast with the abre one cassa. Ne empo bit me check us, ah, oh ya, where the amateur swama, sorry, and only about pardon. It is good to listen to advice, say a foot you. Say beach or quine. But the road to travel is your own. Kwanya onam so awu abraboi aya wankasa. Enioma and 9 years num na say you for abrabom. Abegro nsem, self doubt. Oh me dey mentimi nye. We dey mango school, we dey manura is the number 1 killer. And dey ku abrabo akwantu. Number 2 excuse. Say wo penche chire mo amanioma wontimi nye. Oh mentimi nye we because say dabi. Number 3 blame. We no your yenti na mentimi nye. Ma me na tete me free Ghana internet dabi. 4 worry. Atete a wotete wadwene ye ntiade we be ko ne sen na che se wo nwinwi na wotete 5 fear ehu mi kotu mi nan yi mayen from so mi kotu mi nan yi medin kugu. The fear of mistakes and failure will always keep you at bay. It is an yoma mabomu yi men dwine ho da men ba ho abomfia yo abeguro self doubt. Oh me dey we ntimi nye e bia mata de nya fetimi kokoma e be sere me de nya atade de ye tintin ye de suban and adwempa ye de. In the end, the life you lead, it all comes down to your mind. Baba wo boy no e wadwene ya dua na be wo adwene so a na enya wo ya kekan sem bia kire wo a wa fo se na ye nokre me menkani ba me kan kasa obi kan se kankani ntimi kan twa ka me gituma kan me nie bibia ni wa wontimi enyo na de ka che se me bibia ni ho a me sin kete se meyo a mentimi ye bibia ni ho a me kasa meyo a akwanside be ba akwanside ni ye mankasa abegro nsema me ka kire me ho excuse a me ma me ho o wa china meye o ade chi me fa ne say o me dem ni politician bia ntimi nyo da bi nya no kore. Before you were not made to be enhanced by a political power. You say one kasa utumi di wo mu fa ba adwuma ade na wasi ho kwan esa nyoma a watete ne a wahunu nti wo hwa abefu fidie so a wotin se bebre e kasa obi wo ha fa na tenten na akokọ enya no kore ahofa ne wo e kasa obi o mama obi wa macho wo ye macho wa brabo mu enhwo bi esuban so mfa bu bra bisa ho say me why na in charge of my life and give the charge of your life to your own mindset. Adwina abedwene ene anamutu abetuo ni nkwanse be hye ho no be mo braba ye ka be hwe ene mesrawo menu aba na menu aba ma emre do say you take charge of your own life, take charge of your own marriage and awadwuma woyo kwan bia so no ento asafe be no wo ye sa de we na yi say be nsem wo nsem fatefo adwemu a wanye yi ameso me na aha na meja wo woni wo nyame ntena edin yam yeso aya ni ta kotego makrao.
Mayemu akwaba ne na se papa se o hwe Adom TV Badwam yadani teko tego ase papa woni nkran hyansama nenso wode brege ye hyase enra ye toaso akosise nyame beba enti no se ne first time a wonso utie bia dia no ahya no so se juada de kosi fiada ni teko tego edi nkran hyansa bebre ye fiada de akonya no beba na ja ye bia phone lines no na watumi no ene no edi enkomonti channel so wo Badwam dwumadie no kase no ye de bebra gudie mu ensem na afisem na afempensem modi abakosise no nkono bebo ene ye ntena semedidi afia amankwa tamakloma memma wache mu akwaba Adom TV Badwam kase no ene bre aso semede ebro nsem no doso ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betie ene confusion asete in asenkafo ene akwantufo ni nyina agenti abo ya tum 20% yentumu enumu nsam no yade ebebremo Yabebo awuremu akokra chinchumro ene GES director wo ho se akade ni school ni school dodo no a eno ne nsem bi na no pa mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase oba Facebook/Adom TV akase no wo ho like comment na share say Go TV obenya ye 176 DSTV 280 media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said and 70 chimo ankasa etie enranya na adaje na color stations ahodo confusion ko a ni nyina ene se adrobafo ne wa matefoɔ se lorry fare no yatum into wo so do wo charges aba frequent mfia no wo te yes Adom kase Adom FM Adom TV ye bo amane se yes yentum mu 20% enti ene ma menyame sesa eno ho confusion bebre Adom TV kase kombonte so ene ahyenkafo akwantufoɔ bi edi nkomo wonsem odi tudwa eni
Ase 6 cities. Sani yentu ya 6 cities. Na won aje 6 cities. Uma 5 cities ebe ma 10 pesos. Na na do 6 cities. Adenti ya. Ya anti ya se won ase atolole fam na nso biem.
Tuzo nyom coin.
Ya coin. Ya kasa bre ansa. Ansa na woka se won atum na yeti ase na yetu yayi.
Afede ye bedu as say ah. Oma chura the about was a new price. So I was arguing with them say no, want me for new price in farmer. I'm the one say one is the money ye dem na na ye adwuma. Na because of mo dem adwuma ni musika asem moti ye dia na matum. I'm the one so bia te na ma we metimi de ne pay ye adwuma sa o man be ye de na ye yie. Enti me ka kire o mo say me matwa new price ni matwa to me phone so. Ba bibia da wo say ye de ko ne be arrest o mo no. O mbakwa ko kire mu say hifo
Ye was Sapperman. Ye junction Airba circle no. I think 3 CDs, I think 3 CDs 60 pesos or so. By near 5 and also 4 CD, you anti as here. Oh, but because you're penning tempting, you know, but other people can't know man tears here. And my confusion here, what I say.
Beyanto akasiano eso na district director was Ghana Education Services so wokrachi nchumru mensinimo David Kwame Sedo ene wodin sama hodo atuja chire mo sa kadie paadie schools ahodo no mu bi ewo ne mensin no mu a wo to mutene nkonwa ene niema ahodo a emma school di mu no wo to mutene na ne mu nsemo ne Adom TV kase eto aso
atoso mienu na o promise me nso se ebekoso ntinia meka ne se medanasi na atuaso no we die eso akra se ono abehwe a eye assembly members a ehyemu ha no obi apa bi akoni constituency enu ntinu na chese ye hia bebre kra esinsai enti mi sre ni se o baba koi minim se ni refimi na obesamba na ne ebe bakra de ebe do so ase nia wode amaye ne se na ebe ya mbufra no ebenya baby partner na o metua atumi asua ade na ochina bi o mabaye ni papa amaye nyina
as obi amako school ha ma femu a minim school mfaso e wo se min kan ho se akunja any classroom na akwala asua ade a enkon kan. It's one of the factors that hinder enkola na adesua. Sana a teacher ni ana okyerɛkyerɛfo agina classroom na ɔkyerɛ ade na abofra te form ana ɔda form na ɔkyerɛ sa teacher ni no wonya adwin like be in the right frame of his mind or her mind to teach the children, so it will hinder teaching. Enti ade ba kwa betimi ama teaching and learning be kon kan no say betimi aboa na nkola na nya conducive environment.
Mayento akasiano eso na NDC amanyoko no gu ahoboa so se ne wo mo betre krata de akoma Methodist asori no fa won kane Bishop Bosomtwe Ayensu enum nsem bi a wode woka kire kane mampani me so nya ba bi kro ne kane mampani Mahama ya ne ohoi na Edwin Lante Vanderpool ne de nsem yi tudwa NDC won sama hodo dumienu apani na ka entwayi Adom kase ne no edi nkomoi.
Attitude and behavior. We have catalogued, as I've said, all those pronouncements. We have paper cuttings and the rest of his behavior, and we are going to submit a very strong petition to the Methodist Church. Leadership of the Christian community in Parliament, of which I'm one, we had a meeting with the Christian Council on the way to harmonize relationship between the political parties, the Christian Council, for a congenial political atmosphere in Ghana. We raised these issues but the Methodist representative said that these things are not before them formally. So I think we will now formally put before them and expect the Methodist Church as a body, as an institution, to take an action, because what they should know that there are, if they have 3 million people congregation, then this possibly constitute about 1.5 million. Asema FC obi adi won achinye. Party the General Secretary, General Mosquito Asedu Nketia aka. National Communications Officer Sami Jemfi aka. Ena President Mamason aka. Na chesef so hu say eye NDC as a party ye nyina so no. Say sa eto we a eye tafrache tutu botom tuo. A eye tafrache eto anyansa bia ne ho no. Enya ade say e dey swa Ghana for. Amanfo ebre, amanfo asetrama ye din. Ena me no ka say diesel akosoro. Amanfo ya tututu car boma amanfo esu. Na osan de momo abetia amoso epia amoso a na ya ade a che say amanfo binum kra benya amahya ho akonfo.
Russia Bedwafo the other share and ama workers was civil and local government staff Association of Ghana Trinity Asa Closak was one more pa one strike in agents in Sansopone e wonuma hudu muntin kebeya one more ensankoye adwuma biem sede etie na ban koso enye de oso ye na asomdwe emra
dia kano and ye ne Closak for ACI. And he said, someone na so a fast strike here, cross for Afra, or more encouragement. Yea, a high na, when say Hagana for be brave. I will be brave, Pessy a cocody Juma, or ministries, and assemblies here. Ye qua, ye yan, and moi, and I say Juma, ye penny to me, and ye. The MPs, Nanke will break, but ye said, ye in a bad day. Ye best by a local government committee, now Yababishia, a year crossack. Your buyers, you know what didn't come on, and come on so a shame crying. Say, oh, tears, some more canon, and someone near to Tino or 110 in Yatia, who said, I was a tea or me, a tea or the energy, I was a tea almost so marker. Senaminian Kani, I yearn, she said, Ebeshia, Minister of Finance, Minister of Employment, Nayashia, fair wages. Near tea almost so almost dear.
Now what you would one na yade resolution centers aba na free senior high school enkurano obi owo ha obi ya no wo makoho na wo mo akosha ma year to year deputy coordinator da free SHS secretariat no na afra sika mensa ene adom kase di nkomo sabre de esukuu 444,000 plus de obi anya baby akọ say yes school nempo sebepem sabre wunya bi kura no a ukọ womansi moji yesa penfo ho beye ehun toto ye ne bibia so ama one adom kase edi nkomo e
we say we hwa day 1 no nipa eba ho a resolve omo issue no first week you know it was 27,654 second week it was 42,911 and then third week so it was 41,686 and then week 4 no so it was 17,961 week 5 10,229 and then week 6 no it was 3,700 and week 7 last week you know so nipa aba ye office higher ya momo ye 173 a omu nyina ya ye den ya resolve omu issue amount manual place na kasa in total from our various resolution centers no ye 144,114 and ya resolve omu issues across the country.
Penny adodanko akufuado de tudwa se hia wodo a Ghana aman ye ne womo ebohye no wabiem nti obi abetumi aye na adwuma eno nti lotewie amane boni o wato e mantemu abapro akohwe se bosomene na otwemienu adwuma mu ya na yenkotie de adehye editudwa
ale bono de wadan Ghana na ye bia no kodi bu ano ye kodi bu ano ya share together nti ye bia Ghana na kodi bu afọ yem ni tam na sala se betin sa na
intervene sa habena de bramu
omuntu mi ma Obakra bodu French phone line on doing cross over there in so they are two now COVID and ban to the same thing.
Internal best was abandoning.
The abandoned to my Mr. Ban say. So you go as chairman. It's in Kawu, could you announce West Africa President Mountain as no Senate will be in the commission.
But I really what boy no still. Yeah, that's the problem no with them. First and all first and 1 2 man we are one touch. What boy is the same thing because one and one share and one's one way. Into one way, no natural the same problem na you know. You good you want which you know because you never share from for say Yamia no way border into my free by step. You problem the same thing. Me quit ma as my the chain na hon your more stock.
And so now OT second vice chairman the main MPP Amanyoko ye Asunka Francis Boache and they were the ato MPP Amanyoko chitafo na ni wosrewomo executives foforo na wo mayi wo mo no won fa ni de ni bo bia ne mo bia wo mo hia ebema party no agina brane edi nkuni mo bibia mo no won hwe so de bema wo
not by size but a gift from God. Leadership is not by size, but a gift from God. Nyankopon and Badwam say omume lady party no. Eno ti mo fa ni di mfanya de ben. Emfa ma wo. Mo mo mpa ma say Nyankopon ma wo ma ho ni nyansa no mo di apia party no. Na second one ni koma mo a yen na yen wi ni no. Ma ma wa ba mu mu. Me pese mi ka asem bi chiro. Who person we a man of honor, honorable and a most honorable. And when you are there, as I said, men of honor are not those who have never failed or made mistakes before. Listen to me, men of honor are not those who have never failed or make mistakes before, but they are those who fail and make mistakes, but they never let their failure and mistakes curtail them, but they move forward.
Mankasim Divisional Police Command no actually owura bia ni nua wanya mfie aduasa nipa bi chichire no ebo abedua mu eboro no kun no nyina nso akowia bode o ma frɛ ni nua no so mo na nhwehwemu enkoso.
And just recently another guy was killed, tied him to palm trees, claiming that he went and stole they had 2 bunches of plantain lying by him, claiming that he stole the plantain. That body too has been conveyed to Sopon Hospital. Our information is that he was with some other guys when they attacked them. They arrested him and they went and killed. So we're now looking, there's a serious manhunt for the one whom he was moving with. We've got his brother and he mentioned his name too. So that case is an investigation. We are very sure that we'll come to the bottom of that matter.
Mayenya no sona Adom TV Badwam kasia no pay na ha ne brema kwan na yede asie midi afia amankwa tamaklo de adu so no de wonkrata no ne animo ensem momanhene kwabna sante ewa ha ma metra diamond so ewa ha na afia amankwa tamaklo enti ene ye behwe online no so Adom online my joy online so me de bebro ti yo manhene ene ma metra so de wonkrata no de aye krado no wo so de ebebreye enti no na ne memma won mo akwaba na fe yen hyase wo Facebook ye da se nyame hira papa na ato ata na no pa mechia wo me da se nso se wadaje enyina munya bre na fe wo hwe ye da se papa madofo memma mo akwaba emfa momra se bedwa ye na ye but still memma mo akwaba ye nua na bibia aboko de so yankopɔ adom ye de nyame ase papa de bonkrata no ebia ye krado enti no ene mamenko online ohu ye wie pe na maba mo ho na fe ya hwede ye ko ba my joy online ya de wani mo hanie se de say ayi long distance drivers no you cocaine toffee ene ne ma bi era wo mo enonom twetwe
cocaine toffee
yes you cocaine toffee ene ada ne ma bi se be yo mbegina brane no mo ana GPLT General Secretary era de sansem na about my joy online ya eno ewa ha na metoa so dia transport minister Obama John online ya yeso omiti stakeholders no efa new lorry fares no ho nsensem ho asem de obokrata my jawline ede aba na metoa so mamemra kwabna ho mahu se wukra daily graphic de obokrata no nsem be na
daily graphic nyoma bi ami ho a manage GP say you know oko center spread of daily graphic no say absorption of Ukrainian students into countries university 13-member committee constituted on the union bi na ntokwa ntom free ho bai no so mo tu o madisua no so ye ka say de ate abedwaku a ye hwe kwa be fa so a ye beji enuanom atimi abem sa jehyenim ana enim happen so me hu ye wura duka ana ma me o Chinese Ghana no for minister Barbara Tingesi ne ho fi
that's what tourism ho
there be say o campaign for mo mutu kwan kakra ko hwe enyoma ba community bi e was South Africa o hwe duka so ne fonyi da it was 7 entities who investors and have 11 illegal miners in a Tiwa forest jailed and a maternal mortality rate increases. Keep your drivers in check or face the law. National Road Safety Authority na air catcher transport authorities. In Tiwasem and a daily graphic so de aba. Minim the times so catcher no pay.
Times and so cran some church for binum. Our Muhabasam, our public account committee, just as Sambia for one sassy, and to ye been so ankoy in Tenra Park, it's not not say Dr. James Klucha Veji, a year who Jim Chenino, Ghanaian Times said Bohwaman until say at the public hearing of AG's report, 10 SHS management officers in trouble. Park commenced prosecution over procurement irregularities in Tenno, our Hanum say, and now Adom Kasia Dika Boahefo Mania say Nipebia. Womanam Elmina netakrade epone so omo memoye no navy for na tumi yi enipa dunsia 16 but 8 na aka na de besi ne womo tumi enhu ntie no so ho asem wa ha na interior minister so se game ne chacha na doso enti abanhwe na won panyuma bi ebeboa mabunu no na onye bibi ya enye so do ni kire chacha ho na akwa bo chacha bi asem o kai se mampani ko Efifi mantem ko share boss aya hwie be by April day.
Commander sugar for you.
No more. Enti say trade minister Alan Chamantin wakoho akwa se de nyuma na omo shase nemum de ten say April na ebedu so na omo ye ne de amaso because adwuma na ho ne do so.
Ba adwuma ekoso.
Adwuma akoso. Eno ne the Ghanaian Times amane a obonti. Odi oru Alan Chamantin kra beto ha didi adanse ze okoho. Enti eno so kan sema Ghanaian Times edeba no pay no bi ho
ane ma me samra online de no so na say maba Adom online na wo Adom online ha no ma ya kire 64-year-old man bi you say allegedly you say wa born train Supreme Court judge bi wa born train say de obey no de wo call
man if you see na no akobo
64 no you know do ko Adom online ya abotena kenkan sa ansem no e wo ho afei 11 so ehu asema abaha telcos no ena omo wo ne ye pa mumie ni na ho fi se ayese kwabna ni bi so eti ni fie en wo keka ne ma bomu city bi free mu se be odi bebu ye enti ehu asem so ba Adom online a eno so wo de aba ena afei kase ni mu so yasa de asemi atudwa abrantie bi a yese mankasi mu ho ya chechire na bodua mu so akowi abode omo abona ku no ba Adom kase mu no ni nua be ma ya frɛ no so mo ama ahwehwemu so enkoso nti ehu asem enso aba Adom online ti no papers no mame de ne kura obi mu na
fe se sia de guide ne kura me wa hanum sei na guide enso de no a wode enam no takra de asem ne wo a nsuo omo amem wo nsuo mu no se de times bo ho amane no guidance so bo ho amane na ba kwa wa ha sa kuku ho nsem bi na ba ya na se Dr. Frederick McPam ensa wo mbi no no so no pe guide de panini mfoni abeto akratafa no de to so miensa chire mu yie efa eno ho na bi hits ground running kratafa no de to so 13 edumiensa no obeti ase ni ntia na bi hits ground running but adeba kwa wo mu a eye asem kese se bana caption no pe daily guide bo ho amane no eye mame sedi na tamakulu atienu o man se o kan no
maslok mame
no kwa
de bia de na sibi
na Accra High Court say Justice Efia Sewa Saribotri etna ase na okase kosise ne nsem no mbedom wasu kofi kobe hu de ekoba ye nya de asem no ate akwakoda entina chesa sama ne hom ne so bi we no so kratafa no de toso miensa ewo enchemu no nyina enti guide de anopai odinam ne bi.
So guide akasa we the new crusading guide so say Green Ghana Day no onyame adoma on say de bia ye de debisi ho say eduadua nua but I say Ghana bit mejian na so ye efe nua ho nsema nti saada no ayi na sisi edua bibi no e de ahye June de toso edu eye Green Ghana Day ne de toso edu make sure say we medua bibi na also otimabo ama Ghana ye home ya ni environment na timai kama e de ama info de man so no Doma East MPOC Mahamas plan to abolish e-levy deceitful ono so na adwena ode aba no say Kanega na Mampen John Dramani Mama ni susu ni team process onya abanwa na ono obeyi e-levy afri o say debi na da any road rather sem anafe video evidence exposes Wako chief at ADR and traditional leaders are not evil doers. Nungwa traditional authorities and this are in same way. But you the new crusading guide. And also they are the Abba. And if you are
May 9.
But mention
in dear pa, not just said 21 years ago near Mampenia, what to me a consra or what the share who can, yes, Abreno, a Mampenia the Danko Kufado. And I'll pay a countryman songo. Edda guidance, and the honor that and I have been a can who I just said, Rasafaseno. Or the whole edge
na some way what the abe weekend the onse no the bokrata bi de by se tamale sa class bi no so
microphone any tamale team instructor for the tamale adisha papa bi a se dem fimba eno akwa mi susu se ya no te se nipa bi no mu da se so mudi ba mi say Ghana giche de na say da kese a eto yen a ebi incident no ye ho adwure as oman ne ya de papa bi
entam kokko
enti onyame anim ne em say pegem ye bi sa ankom no
e was asotwi bia ye de ba but bibi so amesate ye ne say em say from that day no araho se mi see ye ye say ka say ni kwan say ida kotoko ne has ni kwan so mu hia anumre match like more matches
well she share the omo de share be break to akom fapem na nkasa ne say ese say me ani ko ye bambo any stadium nkomo no yie obi kura be ka say saa de ne si abusuafo eje omo chire on say sika bi fan bi wo ho na kwan be ne fa so eti bi hwe saa man na ekechi de to so e de empa na esua film no my typical examples na no ko se de ya kra no we de asesi asutwi bi ene ho obi so argument ne say we nyina si wie no ye stadiums ahodo nyina kwan be ne ya fa so a yesiesie no se de be ya impufure mu ade bi sia ana afi ye bambo fo na nkasa ntete be ne de amom so a saade esi aprekope no muntimi nkutu anamon bia e ma hoye na da so nti enkomo e be koso adi
sa nti no sabra na so
ye Ghana esua de anka odo na no nka ships su anka ye bitwako ayi gade bi enko tim anka kodo osiso
ana be ma kwan na do bonkrata ne news no ye de besie de edu so no ya agudie mo ensam Professor Yike Wallace edit coffee.
Well, that's how I am going to be and I made it also edu me bo ase betwa 10th of May 2022 ye the trade and Ponyankopon say or the so che Ghana chance we mu ye Ghana common ye be di no dey be adam say your contribution to Ghana no very important, not Ghana's contribution to you. Biribi ada where the Ghana dey be ma also dey na obisa also dey ma Ghana it will no credit ni wadwuma dey ni odo any pepa wo ma Ghana no eno no o contribution so ati say enyoma e se fata ma o man tumpo no eno na your contribution because wo ye o man mu nipa o ti o man mu akaza also you have a responsibility dey be ada no. Don't shirk that responsibility. You know what you say? The Ghana de be ma nko abiribiada ana o ye de o dwene ho. De di kan pese me na o kan ba chewa wie na afei ma chewa de ntie se o koso dog and de kan pese me na o kan say GPRTU4 mu hweyi. GPRTU4 mu hweyi. Ana Yeura Abbas Imoro. Wo a o kasama GPRTU no hweyi. If say oh ya de 6 adani and 9
Oh yeah, for who say oh yeah, an authority on yourself. Abbas, Moro, say immoral. Oh GPR, you know, akasa be careful. And you say near the teacher of mine, and you Boswa say near the teacher of mine. You're careful. GPRT you paying for call mo Abbas no to order. If the Ghana ni bia nhwe emranya mrakwan so e ma won fa openya de se wo yewu. Untimi nya de se wo ye because Ghana nya wo dia. Edimi ka fra GPRT fo nya se Ghana nya mo dia. Se Ghana nyina ti ase se ye wo GRTCC. A se hu hia se to ebuo mu a me kire ahyantedue mu a ye tena se di san komo na o GPRT ye wan. Ghana is bigger than GPRTU and all those unions. Ghana is bigger than everybody. If you want to meet now, you want to say, "Oh, Kukwasa, oh, two meeting on bia, only foko, only dama, gamma switch on." Say, "Huna na mude, huna 3 seconds." Bianamo, you see, o mani mo ya dia. Petro bua kosura, ye tenasi di nkomo, ye mfaya boso asem. Why? As you said, the space is not regulated. Obi asura na ono aye diope. Uye ekuo ni hihye ne se ye to petro mu a ye nyina se atenase ese di nkomo ma bibia koyi o zeme de mente ase de me pe na me koye wo Pakistan e me wo Ghana ko Pakistan na koye wo honom. If we don't start doing this thing to ourselves, let's not think that Ghana betima gina na Ghana achia emuye eno nkyere se that space na down e unregulated it do pe bia na wo ye. What do you mean? Obi a okofru shem bia no kopim say GRTCC for the ashentuade afofro be ba abonte no you have a right say obetua old one no osho ma won kwa report them ya bre ote das ya bra no ma cross na hunu nipa na sisi ni ba go ehyen no na me sa na tie o ka obusu asem te say de won na won no petrol na ade ba na diesel na ade ba ebo no kra bi wo ha enu modemo simple and capre no yenje na e normal ebi wa 10% 20% na e normal na nda mu twifa so na yenka now jibre na ya wada we ya ni nkomo ne hu de ka ho se de me nti ase obi aka so nti ase amesi de ba bi a me pese me si dan e circle interchange esro me pe 3 bedroom me so na masase wo me so me consider one. Please let's not reduce this to these things. Yamfanye bibia ye bia no ye nwino man no bibia ye bia ye nwino man no the ebedi for this now ne but ye de asese kro de da bi da obenya nipa binim so de amanyo sema be frafra de enye papa sei timisre Ghana fontie ye wo GRTCC one nani GPRT ni driver fu eku ahodo tenase esusu bu a esese ye de ma a driver fu eku ahodo nyina enye sa nipa baako ana eku baako bi na omfu so ye kokotako. The sad aspect is that GPRT over 35 years Colorado Parks ahodo nyina ko we e de no matima ye ho wo kan bi ase de no matima ye ho ya we nyina du ba bi ana ukọ ade ayalolo ni metro mass nyina no ehwehwe asifom be kom ka we nyina nka yanka so man na nkasa no ye hyen ho asem nye kana na ka we obetima de ukọ metro mass abu dichi ya de car ba ya na metro mass ko mo ya aduma car nyina abu dichi ni sisi ho. Nobody is held responsible. Nobody is held responsible. Come metro massa a share who do a say now shall brave do a minimum assay. No team say dear cry na higher journey. It's so painful. Now kia say o minor say ni bibia ye adwuma. Na GP to be na didi. For over 40 years, for all the lorry parks in this country, emu dia wa hina are well developed by the GPRTU. Oh no ni pasa. Sa brene twem to the Abbas, also the Moro, you cannot take the law into your own hands. Why? Ave the titis are PURC for most suggestion ECG Ghana water tariffs nonsense and no I'm kind of say a binding per kwan bi obe fast or be cushion on kwan bi obefa so be cushion oman ni mufo ko abanye de bia na wo sa na wo sa no mesra mo mpe kwan bia because dem wo ye mo mpe kwan bia mo be cushion oman mufo no. Times are tough, but as I said, in the toughness of time, no, also by adjustment, be 1 2 be how many per minimum song and what we can't continue to take the same old salaries. For the baby, I'm no yard. You can't work for 35, 40 years and your salary is 1,850 cedis. Why? The salary disparities in this country are too much. Now come back to our constitution. You're tweaking your money, your money, because a lot of people are enjoying in this country. These are the conversations. Then I'll follow Boswa. Some now I the opposite way. You be the come with him. When I'm not the match now, you be share.
Good evening, 7 to us, and I'm paying 7 to be lad. Yes, a fata sautin, ya one day by oneexpert.com. Yes, ya concon come up, better, your one sansona, chief as Mr. Sujremo, a man in Manedra, will be a jetumo crumano, and of course, set the more gel and it roll on. J, baby, oh, yeah, no nice, you show a massage. See, I dear, niece go to your boncate, actually, to be upon, no, with cheap, Bremoya, yeah. Setimo gel na se we use so bontom be hwamwa e patwe roll on wa boa ma bibia ti makoyi ti patwo ka hye ne so ma me be hu mo Simon main station na face so tema meka ho asam de a chewo wa mo kan wa no pa ye gi ho bamba ene yoyo anya sam ketu akra be hya se de fi de talent sere match ba kwa e ka mu na send we yifi ho Roma e kopi mo Fiorentina after said Roma to me qualify akwa the final of the Conference League na sa ba fi be se bet makoya Fiorentina amane kwa no Morino ne match na kam yinu a woman to me anti right the cost of Italy no AS Roma say similar call Europe na so to me call Europe ni bi na Italy aka AC Milan Inter Milan o mu ba ko so bet Magic League no onim say Germany yawi sanso na France so yawi na Spain so yawi ya hu de Magic League no ade but dey na be cost of Italy dey na be cost so England and ye can Spain no mu say Real Madrid da jawi but matches be cost so and Valencia and Real Betis na dey be pem so Granada and Bilbao na Barcelona and Celta de Vigo and so at the Abone but you know if you are EPL the morning patrol Aston Villa and Liverpool na dey pem so Liverpool is say City actually 3 points and then so because we winning to bo Aston Villa still now keep it chase now see the last day I say City bet me ati akwan so a wa ba league you know at the SC ne matri so shane so mame say oneexpert.com mo kan one opinion den some na dey bro and bet keke bet we be all so kan me nsa bi bo mu a na wo si udan no na ena koye ebinada ye enra na eye mfia aduonu baako a oye ne eto oman ye na has na kotokobo na enipa be de ho efi mu ere hopa ti jumadi stronko koso me de kai won a wa firi mu ne no na owura Peter Chumasi o NSA Director General den sam kakra ba se kwanbia so no wan a wo mo aye football fans asala mo hwebo no asa musua bibi fi sa me na fa de sie ne mo.
It was a doomsday for the nation. It traveled across the whole continent of Africa, and I think for now it has been even the rest across the globe. And that is why we speak the word never again. Never, ever again. And if you want to say never and never again and we mean it, then it should reflect also in our actions. The National Sports Authority will continue to commemorate this occasion to remind Ghanaians, our fans who troop to our stadia, and all other stakeholders that this particular thing can happen. And if you want to really stop it, then we should fight it together. It's unfortunate today we are hearing a lot of things. Despite the government's involvement in creating more safety in our stadia, the National Sports Authority making sure many exits are created to avoid any stampede. The Accra Sports Stadium, as we speak today, is operating about 54 gates into the stadium. And anytime we have matches, we open these gates 15 minutes to closing.
You also come May 9th, Media Basso, General Secretary, the Ghana Football Association, or Prosper Senado, so no Jinamubi on so. And in some to just say, told the Bina and some says, yeah, over here now, one more to talk, one could be 7 saying, who will be on Befa. Say no, also be this answer, who are report to no, not police for channel.
Sanka Timba Kumpene Winia, Enyede. Inti team now in Bono, or no full say, to that beer. Ninsabe to me ada also are winning and to that be also be winning and nuntina yenya to me support to game no yenya yeniji wono inti debia no ye bestre se game no so e mrane ebo inti da bi wo ho a enkoma wo ba processes wo ho ebi ni se bia office match official bia ye bibi teams no ya ma omo intitie form wo ho a se bibia nko ama wa na bibi wo ho a weni nje ho ana se na eko no oni ne ko fa ko a form wo ho a obetumi afili na committee su wo ho a ombehwe bia se bibia se onmodi betu no na omodi atu but there is nothing in the football mu se wo ko park so na ye kochwe ball a BBC a weni nje ho no obeti Ghana mra ne bi se enye se ubu obi enye se odi usabe kon obi enye se obepion obi enye se obeyi obi nti ukohwe ball no na BBC na we ninji ho a enye se obeye nyamaya maka ho asem no obeja
wamwa sada no wamo efimu no ebi abusuafo so ba dwumade na se na bebre na esu se ebi wo ha na ne kunu na efimu bo so ana yere na kohwe bi ni ade ne nyina na omunya mwa papa bia mfia ban ne ho.
And now after this no one cares about us and the children when you pay school fees, what do you expect us to find money to give to the children? As I'm standing here now, I'm not working. Mejuma say, so where do you expect me to get money to give to the boys for school? All these things, they have to invite us. First, we used to have meetings, share ideas and stuff. Now they've stopped everything. When we call the office, they will tell us there is no money.
Make it 4 months. And an incident in this year. But I'm afraid, no mo ma say akola no ko school fees ni ade omo tua omo hwe akola na akodu omo am friends e kopim university level afedu be bia mo say ska bia ni obi omti no ebedu SS pe wo omo mo ba wo mo deda no e wo university deda no omo pe na e bi ombe hwe omo iti ya ye ma no e wo SS ni de ska bia ni ho omo mo de be ko university no iti say am ba no ni nam onye adwuma me so biti o me nya adwuma e ma me ho kire me bi mo ma me kire letter eko board ni so mo boa me na me nye scan fa nya adwuma fa hwa akola no obo ma me say scan nya for mothers for ba mo de ma nkola ni so mo fa into school fees it obi a me nya mo enfi ba bia still na me nya adwuma me tifie akola ni so bre
Chief Asmesha can one pay na yare nsam na de brewo bacho sisi yade Chief Asmesha be ma gina na so pa nyeja ho Chief Asmesha oba white e me man pe my white into nyira Chief Asmesha kama pa na munyare wa no ne ade no sa you see Chief Asmesha e ba cho ye ka to trust we no na no ada na ba for soccer academy wa monitor Male City for at the epim so won so atre chairman ebro pa jai papa ka glass di warrior go voting press e kobobo na nye kra no na honorable sports monitor Mustafa den samoto dwasa sa den de ensem fata kra.
What I'm not impressed about is the violence that is currently ongoing in our various league, especially just recently yesterday. And I want to use this platform to condemn what's happening in the Division 1 league between Tamale City and Swatreman. Yeah. It's uncalled for and it's commendable. And I want to use this opportunity. I've asked the chief director to issue a statement to the GFA to ensure that all this league, we have to improve on security and make sure that they enhance security for every match that is ongoing, whether the Premier League, the Division 1, Division 2, or Division whatever. And the women football, they should ensure that there is total security for our players and also even the spectators, so that we don't want this to be seen. If you want investment in the sector, people will not invest in such thing. The investors, people will not put their money in where they will see that there are violence. And I'm working around the clock, making sure Tembia, yes, me Tembia, me call run, let me patch KGL, person Boa Premier League, me coach, me co-companies, MTN, Vodafone, on person be support ya, say a very, very attractive. And once it's attractive, it also add the value up, so that they
na sports minister no kasa wo asempa fm dwumadie kese ekosi senso na wo to aso de nsem ne bia ka won se wo sre enyumakuo akese wo krumu asem mmara ekọ mo ezanze sports ministry se omu niska o sakora mo akwatwe to omu hiska e de abo ada sporting disciplines no
seen dividend of our investment, and I've mentioned all these qualifications to this major international tournament. It is time for corporate Ghana, for individuals who are resourceful, philanthropists to support. Dangote supported the Nigerians. Okay, supported over almost $2 million. Renovated a stadium, an individual Nigerian. And even asked the FA that they will not even want to go, they should beat Ghana, and then we give them more money. Ghana, we have beat Nigeria, okay? Beat them proper. We have qualified for World Cup.
But say obi investor no you interested.
So me say mo more sika no.
Yes.
Mo boy ni ntimi for more happiness to every home in Ghana.
Honorable Sports Minister in somebody to Jano no Shannon so Sedimo gel and roll on Sedimo. Ayaw no. Awe say yaw dey no. Point mra. Tuchika kanwa da be sorry no. Juma says something. Yes, Sedimo. I'm okay on open the proper Ghanaian Premier League match 28 match back. A came when we if you Accra Lions then Legon Cities. It is the man Seydou Bassis Nebo go back. And the man Accra Lions winning 1-0 over Legon Cities.
It's Accra Lions and Legon Cities. Good skill. Bassett. Samari straight into the waiting arms of William Esu. Ampedu straight to Andrew Zowusu. Long ball in looking for Oboedu. Goalkeeper Andrew Zowusu seems to have been impeded by Obo.
Yeah, it's a hopeful ball into the goalkeeper's territory. You're expecting the goalkeeper to claim this one, and the keeper is only protecting himself by raising his knee, which catches the.
That's some good run from Hamza. He does sort to hang on to possession. Here is Obo now. Great play. Atukwe's corner. Adu's header cleared right on the goal line.
These things when you've got one defender on the post, otherwise that creeps into the back of the net from Adunoya.
That's a whistle to wrap up the first half of this game here at the Accra Sports Stadium. Accra Lions 0, Legon Cities 0. Michel Otu goes for a long drive, and goalkeeper Andrew Zowusu makes light work of that. Long ball onto the path of Bassett. Does he get an opening goal? And Bassett has broken the deadlock. It's the first goal for Accra Lions, Bassett Seydou.
Good. It's very much onside, and the goalkeeper doesn't really commit himself really well to the ball, and the Bastards arrive in first.
Right, so winway Pia Accra Lions are got 12th position on the league table. Now Ibrahim Tanko, technical director at the Accra Lions.
We came in with 3 losses behind us, and it was very difficult for the boys. We have to sack them very well. But I think in this game, we controlled the game from the first minute, and at the end, they deserve a win.
Yeah, normally your team likes to keep the ball on the turf, pass the ball around really well, work it well in tight spaces. Your goal then is a different one. One very good ball over the top, striker goes around the goalkeeper to score. Is it one that you think maybe that surprised your opponent, because not all the long balls were coming from your side, but that one was a long one?
As I said before the game, I know they are going to allow us to play the game, and in this, I think 20 minutes before the end, they have to come out, and then we saw the spaces behind them. So it was very nice solo from Issa, and the pass was superb. And I mean, once.
Right, Ibrahim Tanko, Nensamono, Omotoso, Jumieno, Accra Lions. Now, Legon Cities is Omotoso Nkron and Maxwell Konadu, and so head coach Ma Legon Cities.
It started very slow, and I don't know. I need to ask a physical trainer what happened, as to maybe we didn't warm up well or something. But we came in strongly in the last 20 minutes or so in the first half. But I mean, after the halftime, we came in strongly, but we push, and the match needed equalizer couldn't happen. But it's a game. We just have to take it in good faith, go and prepare well, and try to also beat Dreams FC come next week.
Right, I don't know some Maxwell Konadu the two jati. The 29th week in Nebesiako. Na ye kind of sound on me Kyle said Setimo gel and roll on pin Nebekwa Setimo gel. Kwaso per Setimo. Drugstore Biabenya Biato Senes Pharmacy and Obeyan Dua to Fred 0208986731 and 0208219129. Nani Omo Achi and Komo Shaman main station at Finson Tema Shenesosa FMA Jifas Mesha as usual. Ejinemu Jejion Bambamba ne Jifas Mesha and the Munyara one mono yin idea for be memorial nice way be memoir at Jifas Mixture. OneExpert.com and better better baby also so we ka Kabiana no DJs UET Nasikane Echo and Musadi and the idea. Yes, some more and a DSA Conquano paid in some right here, bro. Sergio Manocho Bernard Party Boucher, me producers no image where Nashama Tadia Nano pay image where money me manina Timajibe 5. And I'm a director press like no probably say no show image when sense a marche me marche can smooth are or debate and one or their kuludu sense f and a papa yes Kaisa what it Nankasamba Kakejuan home Erica Sidu Bwedi because what have you
Ebusia me moache ni mpre no so afisem komo twetwe na edru so na enen komo a yedie no adom kase edikan de abo kase bodada ene se owure yi a wadi mfrishia aduanan 40 years na ne yire nso menka ne saase ne yire wadi 38 years oba na se be ma ne koye ne ho ade fi so ne natena wo ema enan emofra 9 onye ne ho ade akoye ekadan wo fie krache koye me ho ade nya sa me firi ha krache koye me ho ade nya sa me jawa ware krache koye me ho ade nya sa me kono wo de ade abonakunu wo ye ne awie ye no abosumi ntempepepe ni wono krache no ankasa nso wawu enti yenkomo aye di afisa asem yi mu wo afisam so nkomo twetwe ne se onipa obetumi ayesa no de edikan ono ankasa wo ye nipa ben ya de toso mienu nso so no ye ne omafo twetwempene ya ya nyenyem ya ya wuwi se ekoba ne se ye nya wode ya ma ye nan mema ne kase koye ho ade ana sofo dan wa ha ento se ebedi sankomo we bewie no bia wo so wasetena wotimu ano no obehu de sese wo ye wonya nkomu nso a ento se nkomo twetwe bekwa awie no obefa aba afrim na de atoa abrabone so mame mo amane se mu amoye ahyenrafo ene mu akasa amoka ahyen no valve na ba ma wa eba bebo se na ebe ya wo engine no eho entochema wodi gumu acha nyenyenyen wo na akoro no bebia ese okobia no ebeko de bia so na ehyen no na etiapo enti fichire ho de bi na ya okwa na ebubu no toto ne gallon no de koso ato na obete oba bi nkasa ka atwie nye de na emom senka woto valve na ka atwie be ya ode pa eno na me kanfo e de amawa no pay dodo na wohia anase wohia bia gu hyenmu a numbers abefra ne 0302 257 633 anase 0201 289 987 wonsaka bia be hu ka atwie esonfaso sa wode ye adwuma anase wankasa e na wotwi wade GRA tax tip 4 it etrese se wo fo obi adwuma mu a esese utua ne ka akatua wode tua no utimete eto ofrim na eno na beboa ama ekọ aban ho a ede empontio beba enti se watumi afọ obi adwuma mu na se wontua saa to yi magiara enye abonefosam a etia oman no enti eno ho darubo ene nkaebo ne kokobo ena menam giare so ebo we ebie wo so amebo ho amane eye kedemin syrup for kid makacho sa de ba kwa misuro pa ne se eto da bi kura na enyo obatan no ankasa obi okura bon se maamefo be yemiensa no mayira bodum akola bebio ne ede aduane afa ne hunu mu kɔ ne yam adan ya wonidi enti ye ne se be kɔ ne yam na wukura nsuo kura fa hunu mu keke kura na asa atra mo he se de tie na wukochi bo huni aya akola na no sei ne ede gum na kɔgba adan man kidimen o man kidimina akɔno akasa beto ne bo ase adidi na ne ho aye kama na ne ho nso atwa saa method no atwamu o tese ukọ ho fantedoko de kofa aba ne hwinum kɔ ne yemu a ukunu adesa so ahu ahekra kwakoja ne tipaye man kidimin syrup na eno ne bebo abofra na ma na didi yie ama wo batan nso ukoma atọ yem na abofra no so atumi anyi from mo amotonro mo amoye matan a mo hia saa enro yi binom eye 0208 986 731 and afa 0208 219 129 eno beboa ma abofra na didi no atumi akoyie afa mpanifo no so de opese odidi yie de opese immune booster konkan de opese yare bia ha obi kura titiriti yo no say ye wonsa na wonan ebi nso kura na umu aye dududodo obesity asthma for ene blood pressure for nyina mpacho Piwak Healthcare say minka cho say or the 3P garlic mixture na abedwa so na sa garlic mixture yi unya bia yare wa mabobo so nyina no eba besa na wade wo ho e de afisan yare wa ne ho enti sa wo kumase a obekọ Danny Helba ene Colinac na wo ho nso abekọ Albert Sam takrade fon manager AA Mensa ena afesunya ne nso ko Green Light Pharmacy na kwaje wode ebia na wa asembisabi anase wo hia nkyeremu bia numbers ne 0248 928 824 anase 0201 000 021 wonsa ebetumi akabi St. Andrews Senior High School say na no ya computer placement ba ye besi na wofo no bi wo a wo mu hu ba bi a wode wo manefa wo mo se wo beje wo ba no na ebi krampa school na nka pese wo ba ne kwa wanya no wo de bo ana ko St. Andrew na be hu ne ntia they are always in the lead. St. Andrews Senior High School numbers no 0244 696911 and 0257 312 448 Nama obano enya suku papa enko ebusia maka ne se ya kire wo no ukodwa so a na wato wandwa ton de na omunya sika wo mo de bia bre afisem komo kyekye na de bia yetumi abawura fiefiem na de atochema wo ho no ya ye ho nsiesie wo bra sofo dan so agese ya mfre no ode na daagye ebeba beboaye na one ya kyenim de sofo dan pacha kwaba
ya me de
fiefo nyina ho ye mama ho to say
me adom
da ko mama hu mama na me chia no because so ya de pa se de wiem aye no ye nya dada fo bia nke emo mo nko ba bia ho to say mama to be ma dada eba no be cheche ye sa na to say mama sa basobo mama mpacha be chia ba bia wo bia
efide pa na usumi
happy birthday son come right river ni KJ wo jowulu peace be wase ene wo yere owura ni owura yere amo asomoma awoda papa afa so for dan pacho memra wo so se obema timi kofa obi baba ne netena wo ema nan empokro ne netena wo ebaba ko na se esese okoye ne ho ade na oba ne ka se mesra okoye me ho ade mesra okoye me ho ade esan se ma wo nan kra ne anya me ho ade nti meni ebusuafo animu no meni anuonyam bia ebusua kwa akosia no na me masesansam sa me so ayenya me ho ade meni be ma so na etifie na se koba ne sa esese be ma etumi di ade bonu kunu ana ubeyi anu amabe na mpacho se de be ya won so a wo hwe no obeti ase enti me so hwe kakra ewia na edi hu nkomo
omudina ida adzimu even wodne ko Cape Coast Interbetim ma hu na hu kakra ba ma wodne babak apam police station ma wodne court the court na hono or reminding the this situation to other war na joda menyanze de Branson no so why yamaniti nti se bi sima na kwadam official resources na mesa kan che de why nyamene no so we fi timosia krache no mjiji de mo kana sem de we fi no my sister Linda Amoa Lamti wanyina tina demre iskasa na ba yi dika che chim de no ina tina for so many years awanyina wo ma be anan krache na mpedo yana hwazi tebusu na tu no na mo yin chia ina wo for parents dey chia there at least ada bi was na mutum yede some want to me tu no brand you be na de chia wo anan.
Well, until lady fefefe ya wo hu no wo abusuapani nten no ono na wahwere ne nkwan abusuapani so na wote say wo church ensimnim no so for then adenti na sese tumi koba ne sa
ya somo be de che wahwere for na minion man me no so diom birthday
oh sa
ba de china
okay
Agnes Okacho ayi
okay
on the US na Obagana
I'm an aqua.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to
you. And my mom sister, 60th anniversary. Joanna Mensa Abrampa. 12 May, in just 60 years.
I see.
And these people are mothers and they are sisters.
Wow.
You have to get some. You have to have a mother and have to have a sister. A sister, Rebecca, just say, on to me can't free without any ABR.
Yes, I not say can you any partner.
So no be e wo ho so to me ka to me this nim ka to say ne wo ye na nye
sir
sir it wunya sa ne panu akwama na ehra. This issue that is going on.
Oh mama so me chiombe.
Oh chiom.
Auntie Agi ene mama Abrampa pacho happy birthday to you. Ye da se munu ya be ma yo tire na aboama na ye nyina yenya so for that so fa so nti US for ni nyina akwaba mode obroni sika no bi ba ya e no so ye mana akwaba wan fa bia man so happy birthday to you enyina anyen
question they say why not worried you will be a friend accidental marriage and as accidental relationship on sheda no no asem bi na si entra on sheda anyo obi a odono pese one.
Eno ye bema no.
Bema no.
Okay.
The accident. De bia ye twim prenam nim se nyin se ba ko bem.
Na kobae. Na wo mpeno na ba kokobae na ma mienu aba.
Etuwa na ye be ye na tinafe e yakwas. Because you see so one timi ante oba se a untimi oba bia ntena.
Okay.
Adentina Diamond ye yi oba free bembem. Na nyankopon won fa dote fufura anyono. Ahumye nguma moba.
Okay.
Ya obi anwe sa de no wasem. Te nyankopon ade na adwene ne nimdie mu no. Odi kan ball beman. Odi dote na nyono. No humi gu. No yo okratiasefo. Onu gina we.
Dote ne so na bebre wo ho.
Yes, and sai. And ahumye no so short. Nti anu wansan for sa formula na so ansa anye ama oba so ama. Nyankopon nimdie na mi hunni. Women are to be loved.
Oh, Jesus.
When you be born, massy, you be dog.
Inti me to asi ya na to say. As I say, I don't feel be my office. O feel woman na buy.
Thank you. What I say. It is so your be man say won't me no. It's a be man we.
Okay.
You won't me say Sunday nyame kan da.
Da bi da.
Inti wo no oba no free mu. Na bae o du frumu se ne be your bema bia ohwem bia opeso ware anu ware do yire wan no pa na wo ye na aka de wo bro no nyobone a ebe ya num ye gotifi ade da ho hwe Bible say do yire se ne Kristo Yesu do asafo no wuma asafo nti ewu obakwa anka wo no wu no obane trance.
Enti na mema ta ewu jama no. No de.
Eni enya no amusuba ebebrere fusuba no. So enti question is say why worry obi ba ne na ete. Say na hunu say oyobi a wo probi na da ne tsa. Ana say obi obehwe nkwala odi ne produce nkwala. Ana obi obehwe ofi ama o. Say na hunu say your life pattern because sankenti sanka say bio omburu to the extent say obu wawu. Menya sure said that is the first time so ebia wabono
enti so for that ye wo e ma no bi wo ho a wo mote mema fie se omokununum Now so me man hu om to say me pese me nene wo.
Yes.
Me pese o hwe me fie siesie ama me. Me pese me nene tena se me pe oba ne na da na me ne na kompem. Ebi wo ho sa ho.
Bebre.
Sa.
So nyo ho ade ana na adwene no.
But obi nso betumi aye obi ho ade a e wo breko asa adwen we nso woni tirim.
Enu ewudisem. Enu no odo oware for business.
Sa.
So oware bo a transaction.
Wow.
Ah bebre ho. So hwe de wo fie ho no. Aha, o hwe the profit no benye free fie ho.
Iti bi ameti ho me ye dada ba.
Aha.
Na say bi ono onya mama ba, ono so onya dada ba. Na o de me do me do.
Yes, what Russia ko yo.
What be je wo fie ho ni bi. Eno so timi sisa.
Nti onya wi a, mo sa no sa no bo so no wote. No o ye bibi fufuro bi wa bonten. Nti aware no botai no ware one say, enye se me no ka boma bobra. Na mo me do solve me problem.
I see.
It was quite pacho wa ware oba on net. Oba foforo na kofa no. Eya na ne ho nya fenche wo yire. Most of them ne ho nya fenche ne yire da. Question say, e die foforo no hu oba no ho a, etuwaja ne yire na si wo.
Okay.
No hwehwe bi ofoforo. No spending the sika nyina wo sa oba no. Na we owo ma eni omutifie no emfa no ho
aya na edi nti anso ye bema
sometimes obu o wa na one eye betrayal bi aba
a oba na betray bema no
yes and that's bibi esi enjoy so na dwen say me punish you two eye mema pride bema bia nya sika ode ya niam mensa ahyase ne de ankaye o odo pa ahwem mema no bebre onye sika pe ida se odo ba kodi akunya anase obepo political post another thing is do me just me sana ade ntimi nka
bo wade na kama ni ensu
odo ba road ross
okay na ntimi nka say ade e koso nti
ade e koso se bebre o de mo se odi bie no nisu banko onye bie no afi otete ne yire no na opeso o chese wo kra me hu ne ye kra me ware wo me se hu bibi gu mani so oboa
no akasa ya natural
no afi ase waye obeye wade amu se wo nsem fata no de wura utrim nsem fata o de wura utrim a no adwen o se awode na wase no ono na eboa wo nti no ware wo
me na me home obo okay ye twi adwen si krachi we poten ne de ne so a ade na ono a oyeye no oye wieye no aha no nti na wawu anase de oyeye no e na atua ne ka na afei nso oba na se wo pe no se wo mpe no se ebia de de koye ho ade yo no e na eni because sofo da wo de oye sofo eto da bia ya na de awofo bi gie fi be ma ho ansa no obema na tumi aye omoba ne ho ade no wa hwe ya te ho abawo nwotwe se se de obi awo nan because unim da obenya emu ne ewen bi na wo hwe krachi yasem ya ma ne kobae
won se aware ne ye ho ade no on se oba adenti no oba na obisa bebresa oba bia de ohia kese number 1 any security oba bia ade hia ne kese any security either say ohu sa aware no be secured and I say emotionally secured and financially secured and personally secured say oyobi onu sa aware na me wo no me da ache etise
nti oba bia person hu say be ma bi nse kura me mu a say ye din a ye hia be ma na ye hia ku a me wo be ma bi nsa kura me mu
kura me mu nti e ba na sa no a oba na sa ahotoso no ma ne tena wade
okay
nti oba bia nti oba na oda ne say me no 14 years enu wa nkwara nan eti bi na aka oya me ho ade a debi me na ma me hu say obi yire ne me mabusuafo so kwa beni adanse say esi am yire na ne akwa de bibia si aye pam a me kone sansa because bibia ntamachi enti se busua tamachi si age atum dia ade se me no ku abu afusuam kwa me say me no ko se wo yire ba we dem no ko bibi ni si na me no ku abusuam
munye du
me no ko se me pra fere nti din a nti na ma nware wan yakofo bekese mesuban kra na enye den enye nti oba bia ewura wade ma the first priority in security it has said is sexually called secured pe obedwe no
okay
sa wade na nkasa institution ko hu se onye secure pe obedwe no se sikasem hu se be me ne sikasem no onya de ohwe me ode tiko be pe obedwe no se emotionally se oba be man oba ne hu se bibi koso ma bra bom se bibi ha me wa ati bibi ha me mfa no ho a obedwe no nti mo se oba hu se ne security threaten pe obefa adwen now wo sho oba be di ya ye wo mu se ye ya mamre ne ya mane bi wo ho a no kwasem ni e ma ho ade ye problem because share bisa na member tribe ne di na no na wo na ona na wo sa kai ba ball ne bi ni na me ko me ne ko be ma ni ska na mka so de yenko ye be se de be ne ho ade ye ko e duru no no mfko fa e ka nyina de list by na me frɛ again am so wo e de aba so am ya nya ho ade ye ko ye mabio
okay
itu ko no ka chi na busha fa se samo anye de ode ba no me ne mo because list na no mo afiri ye beto dwan ye beto we ade mo fi asa kikan no baba no the 2 years salary require no entimi ntua
one na nso awo
one ne wo ma ba miensa
ye de ye ne wo fie nso se obema fa wo ne wa wo free nye wo ho ade
to one me ka tell say look if you can say that is so wa me anyi wa no ma go kasa no ma anyi ni free akwa no ano no it you wa no ko wo so de ko catch am say misramo be ma me ne te me ne wo ma miensa e de be na mo hwehwe me ma ha mu nya hwe we odu aba ha mo hwe na ngi ye givi e na ka say oni mu na fie mu na kroma ne free because atem didi e betie bia no won tibi won akọ no me so mu nyina free e kronum what I'm trying to say is say ya mamre ne ya mane ne bi wo tere bia e ma aware e ho ye din yentra se ehemfo yentra se opinion leaders yentra se abusua niema bi emma fam na nipa ntime ware na nsem bi on so first na Ghana ha we keeping na ha adwen so for be kaisa method so for be no kasa no yen stop we keeping
okay
ye jai nti ade ntini yentimi fa sa kwan na so ni yentimi kasa asore mpanyimfo amamra ni ehimfo ye transe sisi ade ye hunu se ye maba na mama no mo ware ni ye kanie wo bia bebe ye kuro ma ebe wade a wo be chinchin bia no ye mpene konongo kuro ba ko ada konongo na asante achim kuro ba ko ohene se efundaka bia ye yi hu da o se fundaka ni show a ye be bon kan o se me wo fundaka no craft for America wo to no Ghana wo to no himfa wo ye nyi fundaka no ye be kata fundaka no ye da kwose fom
I see
enti esi a no bia ma aka wadaka ho bio enti say ye as a society ye trima niema ba fem do ye nja ne se bibi fofofo sa de but yet me trust ne ka ebema enyema bi wo ho a ebeba fam kakra na fezo so no ene modern society ye set values bi ya hwe ya ye de ahoma ese ye kom o show bi de ne maya ne 10 mama no se 10 any something I did bunny atade abe pam it your share no de agya enti e de obeda oka enti o so ne de twa obi de anu maybe I show one wa nwin wubu
yo
cut your coat according to your cloth so and your size utuma na be tell untuma etombo a utu pum pam long sleeves obe pam short
ye fa 1 year de komatela so fam pam de se we enso
enti mummy agya sa value ne set to society no me about sorry me catch on madam here me catch say me obi a wonya refreshment akomedu akofi ekodidi
okay
akomedu wa unse akomedu didi wo fi aso aba enti what did we do yes and enti obi a refreshment ye ka from biaso opo akofi
ye okone ye ho ade awie na kane na ye te Manchester no nchen na oje ode akọ be yate enti ye nkomo no ye de si ebia na wo sa atebia we bim ekwan a obefa so a obefirim ana be ma no betimi akoye ho ade ebi kura ma no bi ho ma no kasa nso kura no ense be ma ni kura nso no obeda onyem nso a obewo ebia na obi wo sa ha we pacho yen from fa he
0249 805747
pacho bobi
0249 805747 demo mesre men nye manasa esra mesre pacho wo nuaba wo mame ye jai
pacho emema no munua bema na akasa no yeda masesem aye seti so for dan nya minshal that's it ebusi amene so for dan awie manso me no won komo foforo aye beba abede mesro twem me ba sisia ebusi amene won komo foforo ene se me da odifu edi edi achiro na me gidi so obi bisa se hwan odifo ane esa nse multimedia ye ya sotie ma ya hwefo ne yetiefo nti de amope no saa na ebekoso aye e de ama musafi se muni ho a ye ni ho na odifo ameka na semwen eye nana ya safo se wuti asempa FM a obetene nka nanso se metumi da na di kiro na ye ma na kwaba e de ba multimedia ejemaku nim prophet nana ya safo mpacho akwaba
me joso
me da se entimi ankasa mama wakwaba wi afa multimedia ma wakwaba
me da se
asempa FM so ma wakwaba
me da se
ye nyina ya je watu ma wakwaba so onua eba abusuako nim enti odifo akwaba bi o
ye nua
ye da se enti abusia sautai tie asempa FM jumedie ya setena mu a efi ena kwam se wahyasie kra ubahyasie nyame ya adoma Monday jo enti nyame ya adoma efi adwada kono one prophet nana ya safo ene bedi ahia ewo ya setenam nana ye ya yetie ya setenam ne de yenim de ye ne ho na obemu na chese we saye difui na obebie ye ne one ma bi ho aka ho ana obehye buke na wo adi ye kwa so
we coming to add value na ye be share the social aspect said there was so na ye the religious aspect and so count and on the boy made the mysteries
okay
and so etimi aba you better delve much into marriage and other stuff on say eniema ben na ye ya ema ya warrior entumi enkoso number 1 say wo hie oba na say odi kan ne da what's ya warrior no exactly
azana akoye no ho ade a
there is a mystery attached to
it azana osade na ko ja so dem ho
exactly
akohe so fu anim akoka se mintwi da enso no watwi
ye wo tumi mienu na wo wiase nyame tumi ni obonefo no
kre
it say oni oba ne di kan da just what present your oba ne di ama obonefo no sounds na stay holy na o train till the final day wo ku die ni die mo oba no na okoye ne ho ade na present ne chire radia wo buarade na wasre nyame nkronkron so metina wari so enuntina empempine say a Christopher wari egu we present the marriage to the enemy before they aba erade and I say and he say why you bisa na say niema bi ho no mo misunderstanding unfaithfulness any idea e pop up no say baby a free bar no afi baby will break your virginity and also counterpart I'm telling you.
Brothers no mdi katia no. Omo sunso so your life.
Biano.
Baby kuno.
Yeah.
Sa.
Biana wo ye.
Enye nipa na wo yo ye.
Nipa ka ho, biana so ka ho. For instance, only o boyfriend ko da papa mpa so a. Uno say ade friend ni gie. Unya bi da e wa ware mu.
I see.
What disrespect to papa. Na o ware a wa ware mpa so matrimonial bed. Uni wo kwan so mo ma me adaso.
Okay.
O papa bedaso.
Okay.
O fa bedaso.
Okay.
So mo dine one room crampo you need to respect your partner. Any kwan say no matter ni partner on any relationship o dey beto. Afi wunja wo mpanso so e ma housemaid NCC so.
Ayo.
Wunja boxer shorts, ukun boxer shorts e fa ma housemaid NCC.
Okay.
Sa na ma we nyina no o ya na diminish the value in your marriage.
Sure.
That is it.
Yate, we ye kakra bi mpa na ya osafo apone ho e de acho na mje de se kakra ye opone ho wani akọ chiti se de mani akọ machi because nanai brothers ne breaking ye no dem akodo boya papa paso but brothers no ne so ne pesem jey enti na je say ti asempa ya setenam na wani akọ chi sem te he ya na wa ya hweye na wahu baabia eni de ese no wan fa nkọ ho a aya ne ma tochema ene ba bi so tochema oye ho hwe a ya na enyeye na nana we de emre na sanso yi anoma me ansa no akọ say no beboa na brothers na te ase se ombe pen a wo munya botre no mo waye wi a na afi wo makofa koye de omo pe because brothers no wa ma na nkọ ho ansa ya na aware no so ma o na nsen Ghana no sa na ti o
sa na ya dream
sa na brothers no na ma adwen sa no ebi no ende no kure ebi no ba mo doso
se emma na amakwan
ba sisters no so aya na yesusu se brothers no bia na wa ma na entwi anhwa wo be kwa wade na se no wo motew so aware ya kwase edwuma akwakoye o ha na ho so mfanhia na akoye den
so we virgin and a be ma be ware wo motew ma wadwem but also hwe wo fa kwasi kodwo
kwame sisters no so yetna se de hye ye so
be ma na wunya no no onye bad one fall bad bebre into need that requisite requirements now wo hwehwe free ho
and also ya semba kontibacho shia nana prophet nana ya safo ewo ya sitinam ewo Asempa FM 10
10 o'clock to 12 midday
Monday to Friday pacho ne nana shia ne hu se wafom na so osaye difo e de oboaye koye ho Nyankopon ni ma
o de ne de radio asem so aka
nyamensha da se enti me ma wakaba Asempa ma wakaba o TV de asem wakaba nyamensha da se ebusia me dane me ho aba me sa no won komo foforo enti misro tweme Koma edru so a me ba bedi no mi hu se de minya yanka se mi mbo mi mu ase madam mbo mu ase ma wate me bo mi mu ase ma wate
me da se
na in fact your friend no Dr. Efia Enimwa Nimo Mreku we PhD holder na ne PhD na ukura no nkontabu mathematics na doc mathematics na usua ya PhD no
pacho you
mathematics
pacho you
do you lecture classroom ni bi
pacho you
na usua ya wo basic na de call then JSS na de call senior secondary school now o de na middle school and I feel middle na de call university ni nyina na usua mathematics na usua fi university na call PhD na call mathematics hey madam mathematics chame na usua na say de no na calculator menti asem na say mathematics oba o de bo me nkomo usua ne say mpacho
mathematics na nkas o level me ye science enti me ye teacher me ko university no wini ba ma me ye math na me nshada enye ma adwen say me ko ye math but no no de ma me na being a teacher na me ko ye B.Ed mathematics and na say me progress me ba me ye mathematics teacher na me wie university no my first station I'm child at St. Peter Senior High Nkwetia.
Okay, kwa
you kwa. Na ye PT ye bia na ye pon teacher bia be kania o kire. Na me kan say me kire Martha. The wow ne parents no obi be ba me ho no ni me be di nkomo na e ma me starting hu say e ase me sheda ye important kakra nti e ma mani be je ho. Ti ho na me imagine say ne mathematics na me yere me ho na ma ye ni ye di akomanim. Because mra me O level science na ma adwen say anka me doctor. E na me ntumi anya doctor nti afi me benya wow na ye me de no me imagine say na me ye doctor no mathematics ni. Mathematics na ma ye fi ho no ma.
E na wa ya kura ho PhD.
Pacho you.
Long division logarithm ba ku bi na me hu da no kra fen ze indices eno na emre kakra no
ye pompa metro
indices ni de asemete ase
eno de oti ase ntine when na wanti ase ye pompa ye be
ba ku bi no kra brofu din bi manti ase da besine
Pythagoras theorem
jamanoa eti se wo ye sade ni nyina awie no ashe won kran say bobo ma no no mo nsua mathematics because your ma bi mo fra bi o mo ye maths say o mo sua ba o mo ti ase se de o ti ase no
me PhD dissertation no me hwe factors are m1 mama ntumi nya mathematics enko anim enti enhwehwemu no ne be da adi ni ne me hu ye no ene ne ame anso ma brabo osuahu na minya ne kire se ebe hia se ye nyina ye beboa mmayewa na ya hye wo nkran because abrabom bibia ye bia mathematics wo bibia ni ho a sisi a me bisa wa bibia ni ho e na wa ya mathematics ni bibia mathematics wo ti sa de na ni se ese yi hu ni fie mu na ye embrace no na ye yere hu ye se na bibia ye de ahoden ya e just determination we wa adwen so obe ya unsa didi kura sometimes eden accommodio but tu didi no wa bre ntumi ni sa na internet ye but do the see why ni so obe ya ti pese ye hye mayo nkran ye wo mani bebre ye wo young ladies my secretary say AC should be less than 30 years and before the close of this year I'll be graduating with PhD
in
very
mathematics.
Young yes
in mathematics
yes very young women
na madam dia na udie utimi efedua na udie
efedua ne ho efahwe ho
nimdie no anaye ne oshase
determination there be determination na my imagine say
me mesua mathematics
you
na den ma o ka kire ho say me ade obi esuro no me dem me ho den a
because me hu say bibia ye den after O level na me be teacher na me pese menya promotion yes through A level la we benya promotion enti me ye arts government WATR na kan enti me ya kan it me nya bi but uma me twi bible say me kan sisi abebo nsem mama me den pa enti me am krom kasa ne kra me ye ni A level me hu say ye den enti just say bibia ye den enti ncha say mathematics no so ye ya adwen na we yetim say ye den enti just say wo ho a wo be ye
I see
for journalism so a we na nyamre wo kasa me nya mintu me
no kra na
enti ye udisi wani so be ye nkwa de abe
so the bottom line na say me catch me ho say masa Israelite me mathematics teacher no aboni di no me ma wo mu me bie o da o mas ho anka wa mo me ti ban kan che me ho nti wo bo me pa say Israelite pa cha ma chi o ene wo ma abo okay eti no ne ti a wetwamu an se wo dwumede bi a wudi a obese da ben na bi a o hyase anase
me pa cho ema no ya boabo ye ho ano abibi atwamu ye lanche Eastern and Ashanti regional chapters na eye yawada on the 12th eye international day aye celebrating ema in mathematics enti ye celebrating ye ho Ghana na ye pese ye relaunch ye national association enti on the 12th eye yawada awia nomiensa 3 o'clock a relaunching of Ghanaian women in mathematics.
Okay. Eye yawada no. Pacho yo. Yeda senti. Ebi anan koma yedi. Obi nso ne mass pa but onim kwan obefa so obeben obekam association. Ana obi nso ha fe no pese obesua. Me so mitimi bo number 0244 671 0244 671 mpacha wo frɛ Dr. Efia Enimwa Mreku Nimwa obetumi aboa ebia na oba no teseme wo huma asia na esoro aka na mpacha wo frɛ no na oboa na o ka kire ho sɛ obeya obeya doctor mani aso nyame nhyia wate
medase
nyame nhyia pa abusia me ne nkomo no ya wie eti wantehwe kra wo nkomo imu no ka kire ho sɛ meye na obeye na emu me de mass no de pacho me ba Eto bi nso a say bibi te say Joy Learning channel na aba no won say mo fra ne suade wo ho but Joy Learning ne kira wo ma no free a o TV obetumi ahwe oni phone so obetumi ahwe TV no suade na so wan kwa nkopa bi anto low price masters ho a sa mathematics ya ye ka ho asem wo ba no be fa no sulia say ne na no e fa me sulia enti low price masters for so wa hanum say ya Frank Heyman e wo menchen ya ye ba be di honkomo Hey man.
Yes, madam.
Adrena ba mitrim so menka.
Mpacho menka. You are fufufro mu.
Akwaba.
Na the edi kan why for pa o. You look so succulent.
Thank you so much.
Na mi shira pa. E dey na secret no. Low price masters nyama na you enjoy no say no so kan.
Ma yi no me hwan ha. Yeah, ya dey o kitchen na.
Oh, don't worry. we I mean we call your showroom no. Why? Yeah, new gadgets be beboa pa na. I make it new no aye more secure than
then I make until Elizabeth Marina no pay what draw me painting me me ho aye ewura he my fam did say won so me ho aye ofe me da sepa na be pacho low price masters dey yesi nipa ye nimu no ewia ne yenso kan ahwe nanim anajo but den ye obi so asem foforo na yesa sia foforo se na ewo kan ise foforo be na mode aba mayen
me da se me ni abade di kan no me chia wo esteemed viewers nyina na me san ndawa se pa especially your clients all across the country omaji atum omuni enso edi ni yie enti ahobrase enti ase no ntoboase na edi momom ene anopei. Now low price masters mean I will say when it comes to the sale and promotion and purchase of home appliances and electronics products now low price masters we are simply the best among the rest. We've been around for more than 15 years and we sell world class quality home appliances obe here wo fie ejumemu ana offices ana schools ana hospitals ana mosques and here they mufua home appliances quality world class products because me can brands say Nasco, Samsung, Suzuka you can product say West Point, Westpool, Itel any de keka hu nyina no these are world class quality products hunyama na eton about home appliances with low price masters many aba
atiase na no wo mo a omo yem customers dada no
that's right
na mo ye promotions bi ni ade na edaso ho e bi edaso ho mpo a aye obi nso akono se oba be ka mo ho
that's right
she say ne say
oh she say crisis and we've even gotten bigger mega better last time promotion e ko see ye pa it's based on clients request intina ma ba hanom no see and we are trying to push our products through the website see am for any time e bi mo ojuma mo nyata obeko ojuma mo to me buy in showroom and e be ya with the baby will be no be pese will click you on www.lowpricemasters.com .gh lowpricemasters.com.gh www.lowpricemasters.com.gh once you log on onto our website now you have a virtual reality of our showroom virtual tour products any no any types no any shapes in our any also so before you even come to our showroom now you can see it and feel it then make an informed decision and to buy a showroom now because prices are on your website so no and also na eton was but the icing on the cake na say on your website no so you up to 20% discount what be that
so to our website no so
exactly all that product on our website no so we are now be picky your showroom.
Not just say when need traffic, one say energy, one say time. Websites now so data kakrebi. Yes, that is one amount.
Yes, that is up to 20% discount.
I see.
One and the one is on your website no so lowpricemasters.com.gh. Now what talk another other products be able to mean so buy your showrooms no. Nyame adom showrooms we have over 10 different showrooms across the country. Uko Tamalia low price masters ho uko Sunyani nso yeda mufwa Accra nso your low price masters el Bambolino opposite Access Bank no e La Paz uko Tema nso Meridian Roundabout and be a wo hwe me be a paying your product now once you log on to the website see the product make an informed decision of what you want and why you want it now the next steps in say you can go to any of our showrooms no na wa ko picky products no na ya santi so nso ama beniaba
media mene wo adagenti anka meko website no so as far as our price no kra bata ho no na mama ton some ye delivery
delivery and the terms and conditions apply depending on goods or better what you are saying and you turn the door we can consider and need the terms and conditions apply but the most important thing is exactly we are here to satisfy our clients based on quality service in terms of customer service in terms of telling you because always available. Won't say other company like say oh buy nyama na asa. Every showroom biano your warehouses are your products no. And inside that we have products across the country to meet the client's needs for quality satisfaction.
Yate enti no obekọ dwom kakra obeye nkwala na aduane esese o san kofa nkwala no kra o school o san wo meeting enyumre sori wo ho obekọ maku ahomache nso wankwa sori a obo aho akwadwuma me ne omomu de ankam de me ne be che website ho na ne bo nso wo ho de me tone ma ba ko mienu miensa na omo deliver e de ama me but ebi nso na wadaje de bia me ka say wo de adaji be din sekuo die anka bia de ko show low price masters ho a na anka wakwa akohwehwe se de omuniema no etie na wahu se de etie na omuniema ne bi zukra na sanso eda o screen so no
na me naba wonim say as low as 150 Ghana cedis I 1.5 which mean to product from low price masters air blender quality blender
sir
but TV no so there was 24-inch TV as low as 750 Ghana cedi ubenya LCF 24 digital satellite terrestrial
digital satellite
exactly
and a 700
satellite terrestrial digital 3-in-1 with the quality TV are important and saying and said any market no so too much but for the request of our clients is in exactly a friend LCF 24 inches digital satellite terrestrial TV we pay 32 inches nso ye wo ho Nasco product I 32 inches digital satellite nso ye wo ho Zara AC nso wo ho ye wo AC and also 1.5 horsepower up to 2.5 horsepower ye wo ITER blender nso wo ho no nyama de also bebre we pay 4 burner gas cooker nso e wo ho ignition type ignition what you say we matches 4 burner and one say we chimpe
na jana ba
exactly and we matches and say no and waste time and also you ton bi wo ho no but me recommend me say open nyumpa one of the product everybody na say me kra me use me hu kra dream your friend TCL sound bar hoover
sir
e powerful e bonyumpa quality sound say tutor within it a base in so a boom to say war studio hankasa way in fact it's an innovation that is on the market by courtesy of low price masters once a miniaji because meaning the American because maybe using so I have the feeling you got what I'm saying my dear
I get it baby
you got it baby yeah that's right all by courtesy of low price masters www.lowpricemasters.com.gh
okay makachro dada nene so makachro say ebeye me yapa say watata wo baba du baby na TV okohe no obi dem nti na onipa no wasese obaba na mawo ebesa nso ya me yapa say wo yira wo ne tifie a wo nko na wo ne che adeja na TV okohe no obi dem nti na nipa konso ne wa che wo yira adeja TV ene tie low price masters ne tu ho fansa na sasem we bi ato etino Frank my number na yen fro na
Mr. Me da sepa na me fan kan quickly yes an chest freezers wo ho double door kese no pa no exactly exactly commercial use also yes an ewo your friend is saying tabletop fridge obetumi use in your bedroom ho no so your product no it cut across irrespective of who you are what you say and Mr. need you mo me the enormous no betudwa your active telemarketers wo ho no ma sisi o mo twen wo call and you hear further information be Mr. we need you mo Bomodian Efrayen, it was 0247 693 634. Means I'm fine with you. 0247 693 634. Now, Vodafone line also 050 395 7693. 050 395 7693. Finally, Airtel Tigo is 056 1997 179 056 1997 179 and our lowpricemasters.com.gh.
Okay, yati asienti numbers no so go screen so. Cha nato wase.
Minaba. Yes, sorry so no. Nkran for bubo say akeke engla ebe ofa no no nshi
da bi
onu nshi yes anshi a embin na so low price masters they have been dada anshi that's it
yes so me da say etebusi amene Frank Heyman ono no head of sales and marketing the low price masters na no afie twemu wo be share Premier League ya na ekoso ne ade adenya low price masters wow and then so the bibi fofra ba na se chinije bia ene ho enti raho na kitchen ho nye ha edem ho nye de efie nye nika na yere ko he TV obi dem a oba ko he TV obi dem a yes papa Frank Pacho with us
Yes, we come.
Amen. On council. Abusua na koma me no di ye wa fisem so no. Ebraso se me ne wodi mpapa mu ne mu mama hene kwabena sante ene ne mpanifo ne na bedwafo betena se na omo de mpense mu abro aba be pense mu. Enwumre ma ye nhia e wo Adom kase so afa hia me Instagram, Facebook, baby bia ye social media, TikTok ne ne ka ho nyina. Ma me kira diamond na no pay adaja o ne me cheye. Me da se. Good morning.
Diamond Chira says on so kama say dia well Afunia, this is the time be a proud Afonian. So the pledge Pacho Mema fi me now do dia ashes so me Rapti, me Osei Kofi, me Alex Boa, me Achenswa hima papa bi, me Kenya say hima papa bi, me Alice Kopi, me Alex Boa, me Omahene Kwabena Sante. Me Shebo say enioma dia ni munyam eni mpuntu ne kanko beba afo eno na medi hujuma. I am a proud Afonian, so you have to be a proud Afonian. Under the able leadership of George Boachi, Regional Minister Papa B, supported by our potential president and flag bearer Eric Opoku, a Wisdom Port Alaji Collins Dauda, and Afi Bobi, Deputy Sports Minister, Dr. Benjamin, and Afi Ira Bano, and Almighty Frida Prempe. We have a solid team. Afo. The me catch no. Afo afa untimi fa mbon rashi ni. I'm telling
economic solid.
Okay, MBB economic solid team. And they are not still economic. They are not solid.
No, but in China they yehu. I mean, in China my name the best 11 players. Woko Park you don't know about here.
No, the best economic team are just solid. In turbulent time kwano, omotimi hold the fort. This is the best solid team any country bet me experiencing in turbulence.
Oh, wow. Wow. I'm really shocked. As American, I can say, you know the I was looking at you. Wow.
But what's a bluff? What's a turbulence? Just not in normal time.
Not in normal time.
Look at you.
What's a bluff? I have only
what's the difference between brown and a half?
Say na brown half.
No, I'm asking because a half.
Bruno now is Doma, Sunyani, Blekum.
Yeah. What I'm talking about is that what's the difference between the Ahafu people and the brown people?
No, we fall under. No, we Akankasa. You're Sumu
Oh, that's the difference.
That's the difference. Yeah.
So why is it that my hometown half Sum Otufu, half go to Techima?
History.
I've told you that history before. It's okay.
I know Romusu Kwa.
I understand you.
Etimamema Aquinas Tewi Akwansa, former Central Regional Minister, former Member of Parliament, deputizing for many major ministries in this country, very experienced politician, and a key member of the NDC. Akwaba.
Yeah.
Okay, so Doctor, so Makacho, this is the third or second time I'm going to this uncle. The reason is that or can't send me to the city. You know, one of the few people who's almost about manual same one. Almost word of partisanship, you know, they are speaking to the matters. A lot of the people who the reality on the ground. Always proud of him. The submissions are super. Because in this idea, they are terminal Debbie. Or as it is. We'll have a wonderful submissions. So, Dr. Adope, so Edasi for your time, short notice, but Babaka and Sawan say, Shatter, you know one and I'm
oh, you fly.
As you say, the commander owns our BEM.
No,
we say trade minister, even though President and the April 9th, me amaso.
Yeah. No, April you don't tumba because there. What on in the house and
okay, you are monitoring.
Yeah, oh yeah. No, what happened there? They went there. You see, the reason why some of us were a bit worried there, I don't think they really want to continue the project in there. You see, the same problems you people were espousing. In some of the work there, all your problem intina Commander Sugar Factory and then It's the same thing. Is what is happening. I mean, because say within like 2 years, you let the people start planting the sugarcane. But now you are now also going to make sure that the nitty-gritties our factory and sana government is going to support people to plant sugarcane. Sorry. Until at the end of the day, no. What you were accusing there, NDC didn't even know where the sugarcane was coming from. Or did it one first come a kwafuma one dog? Oh yeah, I sure. But they built that. And I make it Inka Oyada also a buyer bay. Look, you've been in power for how many years?
Almost 6.
Almost 6 years. Inti Oyada would tell me the okay. Factory no in a onye maybe I will question onye 100% complete. So let me add it. But before then, let me start the farms. Inti se wobo dua ahwe na abra factory ni be ready. Ina ahwe no so why ready because ahwe ni put luckily we have varieties that occur only about 90 days or 120 days. Inti say yeah then we feed the factory. Now we've gone back to the same kind of thing we were accusing people of doing. There, let's finish the factory. In Yaman Kitty be or there yen. And Sana, if you read the story now, and Sana, why then farmers were support or you kwafudo why then we do ashe. Oh sometimes you know, it's a make a day. Say what tamfu or sawa no I chanapa. You understand me? Because at the end of the day, if
so what John Mohammed's coat, Akoko Sachra Kroma.
No, or different.
Different.
Yes, obese. Watamfu is Yawasa or Chinese. Yeah, I know Chinese. Yeah, when you must work up. I mean, Intermediate there was a Tafu Yawasa or Chanapa. At the end of the day, we all look. Did we ever even assess that $24 million? No, in the Afena boss. You see, these were things that were approved by even the MIFI Parliament, you know, a sixth Parliament. Sixth Parliament, I say. So at the end of the day, when you really want this project to go on, you would have assessed that money, giving the money to the farmers. Let them start producing the sugarcane. Into Abra, the nitty-gritties of the factory is okay. No, by that time you have raw material to feed it. As I say, but
the good thing is
the good thing is coming back. I mean, that's the only thing. I mean, so what ya Akitichi. When you now obey in Akitichi bia.
Yeah, no, local in the area.
No, Akitichi is the local name of commander. So,
Commander, local name is Akitichi.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
That's the local name of Commander. It's Akitichi.
How about Akitichi Sugar Factory?
No, but the Commander for a very long time. It's been called Commander. Until you're Dutch Commander, you're British Commander.
Oh.
Yeah. Two. We have the Dutch and the British. You're British Commander and you're Dutch Commander.
Okay.
Into Commander, no, two.
Okay.
You're Dutch Commander, you're British Commander.
Then is here for the Dutch and the British.
British.
Okay. All right.
Until at the end of the day, say Akitichifu, at least many anum in Bubuna or Akitichi also by the Obenya, Ejuma or then why? Until it's all well and good. Because good project doesn't go waste. That there are pressures from the people who pressures will be mounted on you to get the project.
Nana Kojo Akon said planting of sugarcane is still ongoing.
No, you see, planting of sugarcane is still ongoing. When did they start planting the sugarcane? You see, in America there, I even took, last when you said America because a lot of land there, I wanted to go into sugarcane.
Because of the factory.
Yeah, because of the factory. But you see, sugarcane is still ongoing. Sugarcane is being planted there since when? When they were building the factory, sugarcane they were still planting sugarcane. But we are talking about the industrial nature of the farm we are talking about. You go there, you can definitely get sugarcane to buy. Nkofu molasses still. People do appetition from sugarcane. Where do they get the sugarcane from? But will that quantity be able to feed? You are talking about a 10-ton per day machine.
Okay.
a 10-ton per day machine.
Okay.
Until you need the kind of sugar cane now. But before we left power, then we had almost about 1,000 acres sucklings. Even the factory itself was nursing. What the Bama? What the sucklings in the Bama farmers now we do. As I say, thinking there, in case 2 years, I said them 24 million now. At least you would have given farmers some monies to at least expand their farms. Those who really want to go into the farm, but we didn't access that money when we left power.
All right. Okay, so this one, Nana wants to help me with information. Or say planting of sugarcane is ongoing closer to the factory premise with the Indian supervisors. Okay.
That is where you see in America there. I was there. I was there from the beginning of the project.
Okay.
As the deputy regional minister, and by the time the project I was the regional minister. Until at the end of the day, I know the beginning and where we got to. That area now, that was the area now. In Nkrofuno, the Indians wanted to use it as a nursery. They were not to use there as a farm. Because the kind of variety we don't want to revisit the Ayesu starch factory, where they brought a machine that processes potatoes. Then meanwhile, we are going to process cassava. And the cassava, the cassava that we produce here, 10 tons of raw cassava will give you only about 1.5 tons of starch. It doesn't make economic sense. The thing is, all the cassava what's the industrial starch. We have those cassava that will give you at least 3.5 tons, 4 tons per 1 ton of starch. As I say, into normal some way. Okay. And if you come down to Commander, it's the same thing that people are saying that look, your sugarcane is good. Yes, we are not saying your sugarcane is not good, but there's a variety of sugarcane. Say, we will get more sugar from it than the local one that we have. It's the same thing. Ekunfi factory. Ekunfi factory. From the beginning, the kind of pineapple and yidria ewe Ekunfi no. Those times we couldn't even export our pineapple to Europe. So we had a project with JICA, and we developed the sugar loaf. And through the development of the sugar loaf, now the sugar, those times, you have more flesh than juice in our pineapple. But right now, we have enough juice in the sugar loaf. It will be prudent for somebody to build a juice factory because now...
Or a lot of things.
Because now Ekunfi does more sugar loaf than anywhere else. As I say, I didn't know or your stages. Or your stages. Say, I mean, in America, we in this country, we like politicizing everything. These things, in Benina, by this time, my brother, me and you, by this time, Commander Sugar Factory, for 5 years, whatever bottlenecks, no. Like within a year, you do. And meanwhile, luckily, sugarcane doesn't need 1 year to grow. Sugarcane is a first grade, just like rice. Into say, and by this time, maybe now, yet to sugar, but look at the amount of money we use to import. I understand those trades, them particular commodities, the people who import those commodities, they are a cartel.
There's a cocoa.
They will not allow you to just get your way right down their business. You see, Nigeria, Nigeria went through a lot of.
Quickly on this one, my name is comment here.
Oh, they met me a can say, we fee now kofa and say, hey, and the trade minister come back to commend me fashion my commend, say, why are they say, although BBC I see, granted there has been challenges, what show leadership. The Ayane Queens say, well, we need to opposition for Pijom, all those are very unnecessary. Because continuity is very important. And I think that this time, as politicians, they see a try near here, Kasamuye, Sena N1, yes, go for start here, but we at time also betwas me and a basana is here, you sing praise to both leadership. Na yajitum say, Amambono, utumi ohwe commander day 2016 before 2016 and a page anymore still after 6 years you so then there are challenges and I'm hoping say we be there now hopefully by the end of Nana Adodankwa second term na commander jina na so age ma o ka assembly so ma me person me be film kakra nra bono emze Esla ekoho with this ICT thing and the o ka bono ne ahafo nsem na make say I think
me have credit
and also a very
important
laudable programmer omu engaging ba no in technology in jenche bia na be ya when na say media houses no am say okokra we be ma here unya
mano and quite
it's commendable
on area kojo ba and na kosa answer say anyway, good. Disregard purported 20% hike in transport fares, and the release from the GRTCC is on the 8th of May 2022. Adama Forum Tusan on the 7th of May 2022. And this one, what is captured in their release is what is here. The Ghana Road Transport Coordinating Council wants Ghanaians to disregard a 20% increment in transport fares at some bus terminals. Some commercial drivers at some bus terminals are already charging 20% more on transport fares ahead of the expected increment in transport fares by the Ghana Private Road Transport Union on Friday. The GRTCC, in a statement, indicated that transport fares are always negotiated for and on behalf of all operators by the GRTCC and the GPRTU. It does advise Ghanaians to ignore any purported hikes in transport fares until the GPRTU and GRTCC give such indications. We want to reiterate that the GRTCC and the GPRTU have not divorced from standing protocols for fare increases. It is therefore unjustified for any group of persons to stampede the process to announce fare increase without reference to the standing protocols. We wish to advise the public to disregard any increase and the drivers to desist from charging any new fare as we continue with the discussion on the appropriate adjustment, which will be signed by the representatives of the GRTCC and GPRTU and communicate same to you. That's the statement signed by Emmanuel Ohene Yaboa, General Secretary, GRTCC. Doc, muna mo abem monka say on this matter.
In fact, about transport arrangements, any petrol, no crack, a kind maybe say, because to petrol, say a goilo, say a wine, Omumbisa, say MPP and INDC. And see no credit, fuel prices increment are at a very unfortunate time, because make unfortunate time, I think that businesses, APJ Mumu after Yarea, by a very unfortunate time, I make Nanki need to say after COVID in Yamada Kwemu, but Russia so Putin Adarama and Yako Ahunhemu ama brodo crampo a price a cost because ye chrome hano paying fly the year brodo ni cake no ye free Eastern Europe. And see, I think that a painful experience. Nemum sa advantage I na trotro for so a fahundi a buyeno I na no yeding. In fact, ebia enra o koejma utia simpwa ebia maybe 3 Ghana 50 pesos. Ade chien out na kamwa near ye dia ball say 4 cedis 50 pesos. Sa subai no mbwa o mine nti I'm happy to say the two governing bodies are Yanfans almost share transport fares. So the beautiful thing I mean when is almost dinkita ho and the non quampo there's good faith, goodwill in the process. Omumi no abeka say dabi yenjin tum say yema prices no encontro na at the appropriate time no say yebesa prices na yema maswati. I'm very happy with especially Ghana Road Transport Coordinating Council for so on my show leadership. Now face on GPRT, which is the transport side, no so I show leadership. Utunze almost feel pain and now your dear Ghana for a comu through transportation fares. Abribiano ye na enim waketiano ejina bebi ejina and so niema komuno ekosro and I feel for ye na ye wo edwemu a ye faka ekoba ana say crowd school for so ebie into school for ebie ejane endanom so wa oni tua so ba eco day school a ehun SMP and I'm happy that they've come out now. As to a war inappropriate pricing, mono, I think that also and buying as yeah very serious about it because say Trotrobi and I made be an agent say on the price number costra say to me choma so na ye no bia so who say yes either say you're finding bus no driver no announce you stop him from working for some amount of days and now weeks. Na ome who say untumi sorry preoccupy as a driver and now meet and can say and free a hakusi hano me the mepe price change and I think sa checks and balances no and see to me pajamu na obikan steady passengers no so no cre ebi so tough se bus wo sisi na on fa ho ncha and I think that bus also the other passengers so mo kasa mo ho na mo kasa mo ti one kasa ti ho ye we bone enti I think that both sides no passengers they say almost vigilant na say yen fine she from buy about price changes not na taxi mu and not na trotro mu na mate no e de ne pe apeja mo so bisa na o report it to the nearest either say baby or any police station where GPRT and some near car. What my man point
this it's going to be chaotic. I mean, master, you know it.
Well, how chaotic is going to be?
Serious.
You see,
we have to bring put it in clear terms. Look, right now the people increased their charges on the 7th. And you came up with this thing on the 8th. Like I say, 8th was a Sunday. They started collecting their money. But it did to have me, I believe that the smart way is for them not to release this letter. No, I'm coming. To me. The smart way is to not to release this letter. You know why? Then you do the background consultation quickly. Then both of you or all of you will come with, oh, okay, they were charging 20%. Now we have agreed that it's going to be 15%. But right now that you've told people that do you know the confusion you are creating? Master, made you 2 cities.
No,
tell you, Master. We all know what the problems this thing brings. Look, where would TRCC be when they are fighting in a trotro? Where would they be? Before you Kano or 5 cities, you get down. Before you sit down.
But it's not right.
No, boss. You see, it's not painful. It's not a matter of being right. You see, just imagine. When was the
consumers
last time?
Were right.
Boss, when was I know. And they too they buy fuel, they too they are consumers, they consume fuel. That is what I'm asking there. From January till now, how many times that you increase lorry fares? The last time it was 15%, right? Yeah, and that was somewhere in February. Yeah, from February to now, what's the percentage rise of fuel? Now diesel is 11.32 per liter. 1 gallon of diesel is almost getting to 60 cities. No, what it I don't know. It's 11. Go to the. What
the GPRTU?
No, you see the GPRTU. If you read, you see this statement. It's one side. Have you heard from GPRTU?
No, they have even media.
No, maybe
GPRTU say. Go ahead
with what?
no majiji omo increment.
Yes. Why? Because GTRCC
no,
they say they are dragging their feet.
No.
Anytime they meet, they are because the fuel increases. They don't tell the transport owners before.
You have been in government and you've done these negotiations over and over and over.
Yes.
Let us also be fair to the situation. Abide through the minister and GRTCC cannot just say whatever demands that you look out for. At a go pine.
No, you see,
think that government after government, it taking time for you to negotiate with Closer, knowing the cost to Ghana, but you couldn't help the situation.
No, you see,
I'm suggesting to you, for GPRT to go out of the norm, nobody is saying that maybe to diesel 52 cedis or so a gallon. You think that is what I want to do? I don't want it, but I cannot on my own decide to do something contrary to what Ghana you see, the GRTCC was not set up in anybody's interest. It is
I know just to coordinate
exactly. That is Ghana.
You see, if you enter into the labor war or labor front now, if there are agitations, one who sees there, the moment he starts dragging his feet, then there's a problem. You see, if you listen to, did you listen to GPRTU this morning?
Yeah.
They say, look, these people are not even coming for them to meet because with the moment, almost say the time diesel hit 10.2, that was when they started talking to them because most of the commercial vehicles use diesel. And you can't tell me that from January till now, we've had almost about 30-something% increment in fuel. And you are telling me that it wouldn't affect me. I should wait any time at GTRCC. Yes, it's
I think the last time it's tomorrow that they are meeting.
No, they met. Even minister today is meeting them.
It's 11th. It's not.
Minister is meeting
today.
Stakeholders. Okay. I think it's today. Yeah.
Before
before the general whatever.
Okay.
But what I am saying is, you see, Yemfa agency. Take you because this thing you see right now.
Yes,
the problem that is going to create is between mates and passengers. What this letter? I've seen the letter. So me too. If I tell me last me to that is what I'm saying. That you do the background before you bring out this thing. That one will be a collective letter from both GTRCC and the unions, so that you know that mistakenly they charged it, but right now we've suspended it because.
But it can't be mistakenly.
No, you don't understand me. They did it because it was a mistake. They should have waited for GTRCC, but they realized that GTRCC is not forthcoming, so they did their thing because they are buying fuel. They will say that if said Obandama the fuel now from for 1 week if they decide to stretch out to 3 weeks. They are still buying fuel.
They are now transport on so why adjustment?
Say then. Adjustment then because I can't adjust anything. Look at you. At the end of the day, the fuel that I buy. They are not going to tell me that because first, why they are going to reverse and pay me my money. No, I'm buying fuel. And I know that if I move from Oshuma to Accra Central,
extra seats
to Accra Central, I used to charge 3 cedis 50 pesos.
Now it's 4 cedis.
Now I'm charging 4 cedis because from Oshuma to Accra Central, I spent almost about 15 liters or whatever. And sometimes a calculation and confuse.
No, but it's crazy because you know, me 3 cedis 50 pesos.
Yeah.
When you say passenger phone, driver phone, any unions phone, a compromise because some of them is 3 cedis, maybe 49 pesos.
Oh no, but
I'm saying but you cannot say I understand those pesos that you keep gathering.
I understand.
If we also tell you the amount of money that they are
a lot.
So there are a lot of compromise on all sectors.
You see,
I'm not critical. Say driver phone, they only cry because the petrol and the diesel is really eating them up.
Yeah.
But I'm saying, you know, I did too. Obi enu obi tiba ka cho say drive for new kwa so mo to omo. Enti picture ne say no, we have space. Me ba nka ko. Man for shots here say they are doing things the way they want it. Omahin nka wanye ne dama. Do you think say like there will be an emergency meeting tomorrow? Well, you see, in America, there.
But it shouldn't be at the expense of the ordinary.
Yeah, I understand you. But everything is at the expense of people. Yeah. Everything that you do in this
the ordinary
world.
Passenger.
Look, every decision you take today, it will affect people. It will affect anybody. Whether when they decide say, okay, they are not going to work. They are going to park their cars till they finish the consultation. People will still feel it. So let me go ahead and charge. When they come and they accept the 20, we go on charging. If they reduce 25 to 50, we reduce, then we move on. But at the end of the day, we can't also stay and say, because you don't money too much.
Small buses now.
You see, look, I went to Tanzania. Oh, master.
Maybe transport minister, we're making sure say bus no, say 25 and up.
Their transport system. We can still do. We have metro. We have metro, and where is metro now? Metro is still there. You see, because government is running metro, that is why we have all those problems. One time, you know what? No, you know.
Okay, now
Master, I am telling you the experience I saw in Tanzania vis-a-vis what we are doing here. What they do in Tanzania, you know what they do? What they did was, okay, look. Government will provide the rapid bus lanes. That is government infrastructure. Government will now look for funding for private people, cooperatives, like if I say DPRTU, Concern. You put them together, then you find money for them. Then you tell them, the new government, you know the kind of buses you want them to run on the street. You get the buses. So you get the buses for them. The banks. Then even apart from that, that is the Tanzania experience. So apart from that, they have another company that does the ticketing. Different company that does it. So you, the transport owner, the money doesn't come to your hand directly. There's a ticketing company. Yes, it goes to the bank straight. And the tickets are linked to the banks. It is an Oko bank where they know that every month, you made, let's say, 200 X amount of money. So 40% will go for. In America there, you see, in America there, that is where we should be looking at. Because, look, Master, no private bus owner. Master, go to OA buses. Yes, they have some buses that are not running. But look at the number of buses they have on the street. They won't allow their bus to sit on the tarmac on Yejuma for 3 months. Maybe the only part to change is they will do it because they know the money there. Look at the number of redundant buses. Yeah. In America there, because it's like, look, let me tell you one funny thing. You know, when the peak, apart from now, Akomia has brought some vibrancy into STC. When STC was being run by Vanef as a collaboration, that was where they really lifted the image of STC from where it was going to. Because now, Obi Dinis Kabeship, into Beye Shore there. Yes, sir. It will be a very short. At least government, if you like, you can hold a little stake in there. But it shouldn't be like 100% because up under the ma, you realize there, people, Ghanaians, an attitude towards or your binds into you understand me? Yeah, so we should look at our transport today, most my brother Hurricane, small buses. No one here. As even and restricted across central type of bus. Yeah, maybe mama is a chance there. May because and also traffic about what man says. Small buses. Across central, Anka, you know. Okada no cry, a very special Okada. But very painful there because as part of planning. People have 2 years. I don't think there will be any because you know your president. He's always shy of reshuffle. So main cast. 2025 people will not be in power. So like 2025 more than Mahama. So the end of our maybe sir. Yes. At the end of the day. It's when you oh, what's that? Oh, join fool. Yo, Mate. Oh, you know one thing.
say bibi on how in can one send the bureau. In can order say, the mama never buy hey, victory for me. Then you keep on. No, you see, sometimes, you know, in 2016, the man was president. He was beaten by how many? By over 1.3 something million. No, people wanted a change, and they changed it. And this is somebody who got 4.something million in 2016. And in 2020, he garnered 6.1 million. 2 million. I hope you understand, with all the free SHS, free electricity, free water, free everything, the man was able to increase to that level.
COVID born.
COVID here then. COVID here more than COVID born. Because the kind of money people got during the COVID period, you know. You channel all the interventions all the what the COVID they do, man. You were politicizing it.
They drew her.
Watch it by our constituency. What check the candidate. What check you know? What's there?
You know what I say?
Oh yeah. But
what are some of the challenges, Emma?
No, me challenges are by the master. You be trim money the oil. Yeah, normal.
On pempuntunju.
Oh. Now, master, you people, you look. If you are talking about the devil.
Oh no, sasa na oka.
Yeah, over trim.
Because aban wo enema mi no digiska.
Listen.
So obeje to na obako akoji loan.
Master.
Na eje to abo. No problem.
Se osiwu ho a it's
Mumba na mumetre.
Say, Mr. Osuwa is you see these people, that tells you they don't have any idea at all. Everybody, look, Minister of Roads, contractors, Minister of Education, so when you are school free SHS, so when you
1 million, 1 million, one day.
We can answer. No, you live in Akuba. So we ya Akuba. We ya Akuba. You live. It's in America there. You live in
Akuba.
Yeah, in Tibia Akuba. We ya Akuba. We funny enough, you could have run this country for almost how many years without e-levy. So when did that e-levy
we want to be on our own moving forward.
Oh, please.
Abontin sika jeno yepesi jai.
Master, look at the amount of debt that we owe. You understand me? Because Ghana is not becoming attractive again. Look, the last bond, no, you see.
Nase, yeah, but no.
The last bond that floating here, what was the subscription? Because people don't have confidence in the economy. Look, we started running down this economy from 2000. Look, the best. 2019.
Oh boy.
Look, the best they did. Master, you are in parliament. You see the indicators. The best record they have. From 2017 to 2022 or 2021 was 2017 because 2017
no one leave foundation.
No, even at all, when did they read their budget? They read their budget somewhere in March. So in March, then there were programs running already. So it made you, because if you could remember, World Bank made that prediction that the way the economy is moving from 2016, it will be stronger in where? In 2017. And truly to 2017, because of the good policies laid down, you came and you enjoyed the wave. When you started implementing your own policies and programs, you saw where we were then going.
Richard Odru champion said, "Dear na mobile mbe."
On 11.
I was in na mobile.
On 11.
As in the course to say, dear na mobile.
No, I don't understand. It's too vague.
What would the NDC do different?
Different. But we will present a different proposal to them.
There's no alternative.
No alternative.
Oh,
master.
No.
You see them. You see when you are listening to, if you listen to the crossroads, didn't he prefer some solutions?
The push agenda.
Yes, sir. On the need aba. At the end of the day, don't tell me that there is no alternative.
Slogans. Say most slogans.
Oh, which slogans?
Push agenda.
No, it came in 2020.
Most say slogans.
No, everything is about rhetoric. I mean, right now, rather secondary school when you get secondary school. Master system, you can say wait, elementary schools. They don't have chalks. They don't have books. Chalk people when you
say you chalk.
Oh, who told you? You see, only the area on the preparatory schools in Rodolfo. You see, go to my village school and see they will use chalk still. You think they have the use blackboard.
Late former president. Late former vice president. Chalk asema mukai.
Yeah, mama chalk.
Okay.
So we don't have chalks in our schools. Those are the little things we need to play.
Finance minister will go down in history as one of the very innovative finance ministers in the sense that in Koma or the Koma Abrofuma Ghana Sika to work with her. I find it astonishing. Because
no. Everybody say that too. No. Oh, there are some local
guys. Yes, the
kind of money that is come to this country, Master. Now set within 4 years, 5 years. Abubusa over 200 and something billion. On win 2 months in every year 6.9 billion, and that is what is the panacea to Ghana. The E-levy is going to give us 6.9 billion every month, every year. So that is $1 billion. Meanwhile, we've borrowed over 30 something billion dollars. We've not seen anything.
And Richie President call Northern Region could be a hospital. Just everyone was say no, the blind do not see an answer then, but when they move new babu, I don't know, I don't know. Because it's a problem. I think that who's a president and I think that both the political lens been a air because hospital president be anu ya nkofo be ko hoyi nipa e na be ko ayaresa bia ho ni asa ne yare nanso no mo kasa na me kra me se esa me ba out ho na me be chemo loan bia ya sign in parliament they signing for because say empo mu hu ya documents no ho for each individual loan documents no ho parliament no so ye kwa enye MPP for nkwa na ekoka se bofa document mrani enhwem ne ya agree menebo na tenase NDC nie MPP nie ne atenase ne ayeden ya gya tunu se bridge a ewo kwawi afram plains yenkoye ni upia wo se ye hu de omde loan ye no mon kanu krekakra
no it's no you see
ene ofri enso mo ko yeah enso inkokwa efekeke dual carriage and now faso. No, you can see these things. And
I've seen it. But you see, where did that money come from? You see, sometimes when they are saying that NDC this amount of money, you see, they forget that some of the busana was a yabono. There were monies that we contracted, but we've not even started drawdowns. They started using it. No, but when they are calculating, when they are calculating our debts now, they add it to. But when they are talking about our achievement, they don't add that because we took the money. All right, fine. But I don't sing my praise. So if I'm also criticizing you, don't cry because it's the same thing. Because look, let me tell you one funny thing. You know what that
Professor 1 million a day.
Professor Bino
1 million a day. It's a lot.
No, 1 million a day. You find 1 million a day. When I was coming, I was hearing that news. I did the calculation.
3 million. He said, one charging institution.
1 million a day. How many charging institutions do you have?
About 4.
Okay, 4. 4 is 4 million. No, 4 million a day. 4 million a day. Let's take it that way. 3 million a day. 3 times 365.
Oh boy.
No, me 5. He 15. He 30. Plus 1. 31. This is even. You are talking about 1.615 billion a year. No, maybe. But you are telling me that in a year you are going to collect how much? 6.9. 6.7.
No. Yeah, coming down, Basho.
No, but Master.
That time, no, Master,
you are in parliament. You have the budget.
Yes, sir. No.
The budget have figures.
Right now, and this year, I get 365 because one quarter.
I am just giving you the benefit of the doubt. The young friend get 365 in a year because you wanted to collect 6.7 million because at the 1.75 rate.
We were hoping.
No, you see, if you say hoping, this is something that you captured in your budget.
And our concessions, no, my main country.
But it's something you captured in your budget.
Some special accounts are Omunchai levy. What was Oko DVL now call your car registration now Utiaka with Momoa, you no pay levy. Nanka first no Quenya minim. Now we haven't factored it. That's the truth of the matter. Into governmental institutions, Okoya was Hunema, now Utia Baya, Utia levy.
I'm praying that they should use the money for what it intended purpose.
It's my idea, and then Sikano call consolidated fund. My idea.
Consolidated fund. No, the money shouldn't go to consolidated fund. Because people, the whole that you've created in consolidated fund. Master, look, the worst thing to happen to this country. That is the benefit of how can you the money going there? How can you cap all this statutory payment? How?
First, look at
how poorly the assemblies are performing. Because they don't have money. Get fund. Now projects that we need to really support Get Fund with, because Get Fund,
I think, sir,
the money is going somewhere else. Now, NHI so with all food they can say, I don't know.
I think that the key thing is the evidence is there, sir. No. After one day, government, Sikibia Nanka and Indaso, say Utumiya,
use it.
And I think, sir,
use it. But the only thing I in there, me, I will support so that I will take it off. That one there, it's my
Okay, let's even check closer for us. We wrap up.
Hey, time no closer. Yo. In fact, times are hard for everybody. I know dear. Me Bejnaha said me MPP. Times are hard. And just Ghana. And they ask them no.
So yeah,
I'm anone for. Ebusian for a wabruche, Omono be dinkoma. Since almost Fregana craned because one on Wemono in Yamaish Amano abruche. What's my say? I think that a no near reality. It's closer for no me pacho, me strom. More dear me as a member of parliament because so constituency for a also bread. Because I never did no a move hospital bill. So Mr. coming. And when the citizens are doing well, me too, I get peace of mind because Obi Mbase Bwame. What's my sense? We're all struggling. Now, dear Ama, I had troublesome. They say, Sikafutono, anyhow, it's not there. So say, I say, Uncle G loan. Your Koji crowd and moon some terms, no, I know anything for the country. What's my say? Interest rates at Dasono. I'm reading. I really think that your best show more. Omo mumiano, a mini wo yang and omumia. Because almost services now are very crucial across the country. The best show more say, Senate Tibiano, Omo mame, papa, munianum, enim. Na muma yen twitch manoso, whilst in Comodino. Behind the scenes. MP Bako Crack said, say, Diomo is so affect all MPs. And then MPP for MPs in Kwao. All the 275 members of parliament are being affected because of call your district assembly are way in Koso.
Okay, so happy birthday, Mrs. Owahene, Boko Assyria Assemblies of God. Asafo Mampontin. Dodona from Era. Happy birthday. And come on, opposition to close. Happy birthday, Augustina Mensa. Working at Noble.
Okay, I'll tell my MPs to withdraw from the discussion on Closer. You know the person who was fighting for this. No, opposition MP. Yes. Make sure this meeting came on. So that, I mean, they get this thing. So, opposition. About say a free panel, no sooner different. No, definitely. I mean, we all want Closer to go back to work. But we need to at least meet them halfway along the line because egg and chicken situation. Which one comes first? This or this? But let's try and talk to sometimes our posture to labor issues our posture so arrogant that sometimes
but I hope
I say our posture talking about politicians, look, I know ni anusia into what's there about them say but not there sometimes when the minister we baby one year, that kind of thing. It doesn't help. But this world, I like the way the things are happening now. It's going to change our political landscape. You can't go out there because MPP who are Magana then now you can't go and stand anywhere and promise anything and they will take it. There, I can't see that's all because the kind of promises are what they may in Kabada's time, Ghana, we are living in more than Dubai because the kind of promises are what they may. So I'm happy. There, at least MPP have shown Ghanaians that it's not all about talk. Into a talk.
Dubai.
No, in America, it's all part. But MPP now. Because the kind of things they promised me, me myself, sometimes in this, to be done, we say someone come and say, why these people they go transform Ghana? Not going around behind you. All behind you. Until now, Ghanaians are seeing the true colors of, let me put it that way, politicians. So now, you need to be Sky train, Sky train. You can't have Sky train.
And say, Mahama
Sky train. Obey train.
Mahama Bekasa means
na mo for boy to be one na mo be Yakobo.
A politician. Mahama a politician. So Bekasa means
no, my kind mo won't tell you. But the fact that right now no people are not going to swallow everything that you say hook line and sinker because
Dr. Sinadomaku Kisi MP for
they will not hold you to your words.
Akwana Stavia Constance, former Central Regional Minister. We're always grateful, and to the entire team, Akofi and Pedudano.
Enjoy it.
On the chair.
Thank you.
Take care.
Much
Bye bye.